Namo
Namo
tassa
tassa bhagavato arahato samma
samma
sambuddhassa.
sambuddhassa.
Namo
Namo
tassa
tassa bhagavato
bhagavato arahato
arahato samma
samma
sambuddhassa.
sambuddhassa. Namo
Namo tassa
tassa bhagavato
bhagavato
arahato
arahato
samma
samma sambuddhassa.
sambuddhassa. Day 24.
Now today we have to talk about Maharaulavada Sutta.
आज हामी महाराहुलवादा सुत्तको
When
बारे चर्चा
whenever
गर्छौँ।
Rahula was 80,
जब राहुल भन्दै
so
18 वर्षको हुनुभएको थियो,
when he was going for Bindapata together with the Buddha,
जब उहाँ भगवान बुद्धसँग भिक्षाटनको
then
लागि
he had
गइरहनु
wrong
भएको
thoughts.
थियो, राहुलमा एउटा गलत विचार आएको थियो। राहुल भन्दैमा
Actually, not only two of them, there were many other bhikkhus, including Benedetta Sariputta, going for Bindapata.
त्यो पिण्ड पाल्टामा चाहिँ भगवान बुद्ध मात्र
Then
नभएर सारिपुत्र भन्थे र अरू भन्थेहरू पनि हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
this happened in Savatthi.
यो चाहिँ
So the Buddha was going for
सावतीमा
Bindapata in
भएको घटना
Savatthi
हो है। भगवान बुद्ध
together
सावतीमा
with
भिक्षाटन
Venerable
गइरहनु भएको
Rahula,
थियो।
Venerable Sariputta.
भन्थे
As they
राहुल र
walk,
भन्थे सारिपुत्र
Venerable Rahula followed the Buddha very
अनि
closely.
हुनुहुन्थ्यो। अनि त्यतिखेर चाहिँ
Also
भन्थे राहुल चाहिँ भगवान
tread him
बुद्धको
step and
नजिकबाट
step in
हिँडिरहनु भएको
footprint
थियो
of the Buddha.
है। साथसाथै भगवान बुद्धले देखेको पाइतालामा देख्दै भगवान बुद्ध नजिकबाट
Then
भगवान बुद्धले
the Buddha
चालेको
also
पाइतालासँगै चाल्दै
can
हिँडिरहनु
know
भएको
his
थियो।
mind.
भगवान
Okay, here
बुद्धले
one more thing.
सारिपुत्र हाम्रो राहुल
Mentioned in the
भनेको
commentary.
मन
Whenever Rahula was
बुझिसक्नु
like
भएको
a
थियो।
Buddha, all the appearance are like Buddha because the son and father, right?
भन्थे राहुलको चाहिँ अनुहार शरीरको हावा सबै
So
भगवान बुद्धसँग मिल्थ्यो किनकि
all the
बुवा र छोरा भएको
appearance
कारणले
are similar to the Buddha. That's why
अनुहारको हावा
metaphorically they say
सबै
big
हावाहरू
elephant is a leading, small elephant is a following.
भगवान बुद्धसँगै मिल्थ्यो है।
Right? Gracefully.
अटाकटामा
This is
चाहिँ
one of
अब
the simile.
ठुलो हात्ती चाहिँ अगाडि
Also
र सानो
mention many
बच्चा
other
हात्ती
things
चाहिँ
like a
पछाडि पछाडि
big
आइरहेको जस्तो
lion
देखिरहनु भएको थियो।
leads and small lion follow.
त्यस्तै ठुलो लायनले चाहिँ
Similarly, golden swan
लायन चाहिँ अगाडि
is a
गइरहेको र
Hansa, right?
सानो लायन चाहिँ पछाडि पछाडि आइरहेको जस्तो
Maybe like a father
देखिन्थ्यो
golden swan, also
है।
with his son also golden swan flying together.
सुनौलो राजहंस को राजा र त्यसको
So
बच्चासँगै
this
आइरहेको
is
जस्तो
the
देखिन्थ्यो
appearance.
है। उस्तै उस्तै देखिन्थ्यो।
So based on this appearance, Venerable Rahula
अब
as an ordinary Samanera, he also thought.
अब सामने राहुल भन्थेको मनमा विचार
So
आएको
if
थियो,
I am in household life, if I was not ordained as a
यदि म
Samanera,
उपसम्पदा
if
नभएको
my
भए,
father wasn't
सामने
ordained as a
नभएको भए,
then
मेरो
right
बुवा
to become Buddha,
पनि अब
my father will become
बुद्ध
universal
नभएको
monarch.
भए मेरो बुवा चाहिँ
I
चक्रवर्ती
will
राजा
be universal
हुनुहुन्थ्यो,
monarch's son.
म पनि चक्रवर्ती राजाको छोरा हुन्थेँ
You can also imagine that kind of mind, right?
भनेर विचार आएको थियो।
So as my father is handsome, I'm also handsome.
मेरो बुवा पनि एकदम राम्रो छ, म पनि
He
एकदम
also have
राम्रो
that
छु।
kind of worldly thoughts
त्यसो
when he
त्यस्तो
was
एउटा
following the Buddha.
लोकीय विचार आइराखेको थियो राहुल
The
भन्दैमा।
Buddha can know his mind.
अनि भगवानले राहुलको विचार पढ्नुभयो,
There's also
बुझ्नुभयो।
wrong thoughts.
यो पनि गलत विचार।
Then to cut his thoughts,
यस्तो विचारलाई काट्नको लागि
the Buddha delivered discourses.
भगवान बुद्धले उपदेश
You
दिनुहुन्छ।
have already known 11 categories of five aggregates. Five clinging aggregates, right? You have already
हजुरले
known.
चाहिँ पञ्च
For example, past, future,
उपादान
present,
स्कन्धलाई बुझिसक्नु
internal,
भयो है।
external,
त्यस्तै चाहिँ
gross and
11
subtle,
प्रकारको
inferior,
कुराहरू है।
superior,
अतीत अनागत
far
पछु
or
पनि
near,
हिनङ पनि दङयङ
altogether
दुरेसन
11
के
categories
होइन,
of
यिनीहरू सबै
aggregates.
11 प्रकारकोमा
Then the
आसक्त
Buddha
हुने कुराहरू है।
just recommend him, Rahula, whatever material aggregates there is, past, future,
राहुल है
present,
अतीत अनागत
internal or
पछोपन अजत
external,
भइद
gross
हिन
or subtle,
पपनिद
inferior or superior,
है सुखुम
far or near. Any kind of form sin really is.
नजिकको टाढाको सबै 11वटा
Then you should
11 प्रकारको
see
रूपहरू
it
चाहिँ
really
सबै
is with proper wisdom. Not neta mama.
तिनीहरू
This
सबै
is not mine.
साँच्चै प्रज्ञाले हेर्ने हो भने चाहिँ म होइन मेरो होइन
This is not mine. You may have read this kind of Pali word many times. Neta mama.
नेतामा अझ धेरैचोटि सुन्नुभयो होला है
What's
म
the
होइन
meaning of
मेरो
neta
होइन
mama?
भनेर
This is not mine, it's very clear, right? But one more thing here. That means don't attach to that kind of thing what's kana craving. So this refer to craving.
त्यस्तो कुराहरूमा चाहिँ अब आसक्त हुनु हुँदैन है आसक्तलाई जनाइरहेको यहाँ चाहिँ
Then one more thing here, right? If we know dukkha, we will not have attachment to anything, right?
यदि हामीले दुःखलाई बुझ्यो
If
भने
we
चाहिँ
know something is
हामीले
miserable,
हामी केही कुरामा आसक्त
something
हुँदैनौँ
unpleasant, we will not have attachment.
है यदि केही एकदम दुःख लाग्दछ मन नपरेको छ
This
भने
is
त्यसमा
one
आसक्त
thing.
हुँदैन यो चाहिँ एउटा कुरा भयो
So then when we can contemplate as a dukkha, we can overcome craving.
जब हामीले
This is also called Nikanti Priyadhana, one of the meditation methods.
दुःखलाई हामीले याद गर्छौँ तब आसक्तको चाहिँ निकन्ती पर्याधान भनेर एउटा
So then we
भावना
can
विधि
discern all types of aggregates as a dukkha, dukkha, dukkha like that continuously.
पञ्चखण्डहरू सबै दुःख
And
दुःख
you
दुःख भनेर विचार गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ
overcome attachment
है त्यो
or craving.
आसक्तबाट निस्किनको लागि सबै दुःख 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 यो भनेर धेरै
Neso
मन विचार
hamasmi.
गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ
This I
अनि
am not.
नेसो हमस्मिङ यो
What does
म
it mean?
होइन
Actually, whenever we understand this one, Neso hamasmi, we have to understand the one, right? It is
नेसो हमस्मिङ यो मेरो होइन है यो चाहिँ
to
मानसँग
overcome
जोडिएको
mana, we must practice.
मानलाई जित्नको लागि यो हामीले
When
अभ्यास
we know
गर्नुपर्ने
everything
हुन्छ
is
यो मेरो होइन
impermanent,
भनेर
anicca, we can overcome mana, pride.
है यो म होइन है नेता नेसो हमस्मिङ यो म होइन
So
भनेर
practically,
मान हटाउनको लागि अभ्यास
you can
गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ
also experience many things in your daily life. When you have something special, some qualifications or gain or fame or anything, right? Then you may have mana. When we come to know this gain is also temporary,
सबै प्रकारको
short
गेन
time.
धेरै अब लाभहरू भयो
This
मान
kind of fame
उत्पन्न
also
हुन्छ
can be
है
only
तर
temporary,
यिनीहरू सबै
only for
अनित्य
short
हो
time.
केही समयको लागि हो मात्रै
If we
हो
know the nature
भनेर
of anicca,
भनेर विचार
impermanence,
गरे भने चाहिँ मान घट्छ हामीले
we
यदि
may not have mana.
अनित्यको स्वभावलाई बुझ्यो भने चाहिँ मान
There is
मान
also a
हुँदैन
kind of meditation subject, the meditation practice we call mana ukadana.
यहाँ चाहिँ 8 प्रकारको ध्यान विधि छ
That means
मान
to
उकथान
subside mana, we can do
मान हटाउनलाई गरिने
contemplation
अभ्यासहरू
of anicca
है मेन
many
चाहिँ एउटा
times.
अनित्यको विचार गरेर
But
पनि
finally,
मानलाई हटाउन
here
सकिन्छ
we mention na meso atta.
न मेसो अत्ता
This is not myself.
यो मेरो
This is not
आत्मा
my
होइन
atta. What does it mean by that?
यसको अर्थ के हो
Actually, this is
भन्दाखेरि
called
चाहिँ
ditthi,
है
wrong
न
view.
मेसो अत्ता यो मेरो आत्मा होइन भनेर यो डिठीलाई हटाउन लागि गर्नुपर्ने
Wrong
अभ्यास
view. So we also have one other practice called ditthi
हामी
ukadana.
एक प्रकारको अभ्यास पनि छ दिठी
When we
उकथान
can contemplate as an anatta,
जब हामीले अनन्तको अभ्यास
we can
गर्छौँ
overcome
हामी
the
चाहिँ
perceptions of
हामीले
atta,
दिठीलाई
self.
हटाउन सक्छौँ
So when we say these three,
जब यो तिनवटा
neta mama, neso
कुरा
hamasmi,
गर्छ नेता ममा
na
यो
meso atta.
यो मेरो होइन नेसो हमस्मी यो म होइन
Because they have M and S,
न
right?
मेसो
The
अत्ता
point
दे
here,
न मेरो
neso
यो
hamasmi.
मेरो आत्मा होइन भनेर
M and S, there one must be A, spelling mistake, right? Okay, here the main thing is, we have to remember these three. Craving, pride,
तिनवटा कुरा विचार
and
गर्नुपर्छ
then wrong view.
आसक्ति मान र दिठी गलत दिठी
So when we can contemplate anicca, dukkha,
यो हामीले
anatta
तिनवटा विचार गर्नुपर्छ
systematically,
जब हामीले अनित्य
we
दुःख
can overcome these
अनात्म
three.
राम्ररी विधि अनुसार अभ्यास गर्यो भने हामी यो आसक्ति
Then we also
भावना
call
र
these three as a
वृत्तिबाट मुक्त
papancha.
हुन सक्छौँ।
Papancha means prolonging
यो
factors.
तिनवटा चाहिँ प्रपञ्च पनि हो है।
Prolonging,
प्रपञ्च
extending samsara.
भन्नाले अब संसार चक्र बढाउने काम गर्ने
So we have
कुराहरू।
craving, we also have
अब
pride,
तन्ना
we
पनि
also
छ,
have
माना
wrong
पनि छ,
view,
दिट्ठी
then
पनि
it
छ
prolongs samsara.
भने चाहिँ यसले संसार लम्ब्याउने काम गर्छ।
The Buddha recommended Venerable Rahula, beginning as Samnera Rahula, to contemplate all the five cunning aggregates, past, future, present,
है अब यिनीहरू यो
internal, external,
पञ्चस्कन्ध
gross,
अतीत
subtle,
भविष्य अनागत
inferior,
अजत
superior,
बाहिद
far or
स्थूल
near,
सूक्ष्म हिन्न उत्कृष्ट
anicca,
टाढा
dukkha, anatta.
नजिक यो सबै 11 प्रकारको चाहिँ अनित्य दुःख अनात्माले हेर्नुपर्छ भनेर भगवानले भन्नुहुन्छ।
So Venerable Rahula, beginning Samnera Rahula, has got instruction from the Buddha on the spot.
त्यही बेला चाहिँ भगवानबाट यस्तो खालको अब ध्यान
So
निर्देशन चाहिँ पाउनुहुन्छ राहुलले।
he also realized the weight of receiving such instruction face to face from the Buddha.
त्यस्तो प्रकारको
Right? This is very rare, right?
ध्यान निर्देशन है त्यहीको त्यही
Very
भगवान
heavy
बुद्धबाट
duties.
अब
But
राहुलले
he thought
पाउनुहुन्छ। राहुल भन्तेले
he should not continue use for Pindapata. He should go back and meditate.
त्यसपछि राहुलले विचार गर्नुहुन्छ म अब पिण्डपात
When he was going to leave
जाँदिन, म
his Upachaya,
ध्यान बस्न जान्छु भनेर विचार
Venerable
गर्नुहुन्छ।
Sariputta,
त्यसपछि ठ्याक्क भिक्षाटन छोडेर जान लागेको बेलामा
saw him sitting.
सारिपुत्र भन्तेलाई देख्नुहुन्छ।
Then guide him. Rahula, develop meditation or mindfulness of breathing.
राहुललाई चाहिँ अब ध्यान बस्न
Mindfulness of breathing.
भिक्षाटन छोडेर त्यति ध्यान बस्न गइरहेको देख्छ।
Rahula, when developed and cultivated, is of great fruits and great benefits. That's what he recommended when seeing
बहुलीकृत गरिएको आनापानसति
Rahula
महान
sitting.
फलदायी र महान लाभदायी हुन्छ भनेर
So the Buddha and the Venerable Sariputta couldn't use for answer wrong.
सारिपुत्र भन्दैले राहुललाई भन्नुहुन्छ।
Venerable Rahula, Rahula,
सारिपुत्र र भगवान शास्त्रमा त विचारण जानुहुन्छ। हाम्रो राहुल सामने भन्दै चाहिँ ध्यान बस्नको लागि जानुहुन्छ।
So here he also have known all the nama rupas. That means he had been practicing vipassana a very long time already.
अब राहुल भन्दै चाहिँ अब ध्यान बसिरहेको धेरै लामो समय
in that very day
पाइसक्नु भयो
he didn't have meal.
है। अनि त्यो दिन चाहिँ
Although he
उहाँले
didn't have meal for the day, that means he is we can say energetic.
अब खाना नखाए पनि एकदमै उहाँ चाहिँ
Also that means
वीर्य शरीरमा भइरहेको जस्तो अनुभव हुँदैको शरीर चाहिँ कुकुलो भएको थिएन, कमजोर भएको थिएन।
So he also follow the advice of his Bodhisattva, Venerable Sariputta. He practiced mindfulness of breathing in that very day.
त्यो दिन चाहिँ सारिपुत्र भन्तीले सिकाए अनुसार आनापानसति ध्यान भावना गर्नुहुन्छ।
The first part.
यो चाहिँ पहिलो भाग।
After this practice,
त्यसपछि
so he also approached the Buddha. Okay, one more time, right? Then mostly he may practice whole afternoon.
अब साँझभरि दिनभरि उहाँ चाहिँ ध्यान बस्नुहुन्छ, दिनभरि ध्यान बस्नुहुन्छ। अनि त्यसपछि साँझतिर भगवान बुद्धकोमा पुग्नुहुन्छ।
The Buddha also gave instruction again.
भगवान बुद्धले फेरि निर्देशन दिनुहुन्छ।
That one is about 4 elements.
यो चाहिँ 4 धातुको बारे है।
Okay, one more thing here.
धातु कर्मस्थान दिनुहुन्छ।
When we say 4 elements,
जब हामी 4
you may
धातु
understand
भन्छौँ,
very simply, right? we have that kind of instruction. For example, earth elements.
4 प्रकारको
We
धातु
have the
छ
6
भनेर
characteristics.
हामीले बुझ्छौँ है
Hardness, roughness, heaviness, softness, smoothness, lightness.
कडापन
Right? These are
नरमपन है
earth elements.
हल्कोपन भारीपन
Flowing and in cohesion, water elements.
खसोपन
Heat and cold,
कडापन
fire elements.
है पठवी धातुको
Spoken and
स्वभाव
position, one
है
element.
अर्को देवती
These
आफू
are
आफू
brief
धातु
methods.
है बग्ने र अडिने स्वभाव
Yeah, in the case of Venerable Rahula,
तेजो धातु
the Buddha gave him DT method.
वायु धातु अड्याउने स्वभाव
When we say DT method,
धकेल्ने स्वभाव
when you read
यो चाहिँ चार
42
धातुहरू
32 body
त्यसको
parts,
है
you may find
अब
the first
जब हामीले
20
अब यसलाई
is called earth element predominant body parts.
32 बडी पार्टमा गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ
The last 6 will be water element predominant body
20
parts.
20 प्रकारको
Altogether
32वटा
32.
20वटा चाहिँ पठवी धातु हुन्छ
These 32 are
बाँकीको
only
12वटा चाहिँ आपो धातु
earth
हुन्छ
elements and water elements.
यो चाहिँ पठवी धातु
So
र
they are
आपो धातु
also
मात्रै हो
one
Yeah,
elements
32
and 5 elements.
32 कोटा छ त्यहाँ
There are 4 5 elements predominant
आपो
body
धातु पनि
parts.
छ है चार चार प्रकारको शरीरमा
Also there are 6
तेजो तेजो धातु
one element predominant body parts.
अर्को चाहिँ
Mentioned in
6
Mahabharata Sutta.
6वटा चाहिँ हाम्रो शरीरमा वायु
So the
धातुले
Buddha gave all these instructions to
काम गर्ने
his only son,
काम गर्ने हुन्छ
Samira Rahula. So whenever we are going to practice Vipassana, we must do 4 element meditation in brief or in detail. Now here the Buddha instructed him in detail.
अब यहाँ चाहिँ भगवान बुद्धले धातुहरूको बारे राहुल भन्तेलाई डिटेलमा चाहिँ सिकाउनुहुन्छ है विस्तृत रूपमा
When I write a Paudoya, the first time I also feel a bit shocked on hearing 42 body parts.
पहिलोपल्ट म फक्टमा
Why
पुग्दाखेरि
42 body parts? We said no, only 32 body parts.
42 बडी पार्ट
I have learned a lot. Why I don't know there's 42 body parts?
म धेरै पढेको थिएँ
Right? This is the first thing I have
42 बडी
ever
पार्ट
heard
जहिले 32 मा
before.
त
I've never
सुनिरहेको
heard before.
थिइनँ
For other types of practice, easy. I
विभिन्न
have learned
प्रकार-
Samhita Mega before I get to
मैले
Paudoya.
परिसंविधामा पहिला नै पढिसकेको थिएँ है पाव गाउनुभन्दा
Then-
अगाडि
From time to time, people also ask me, even in Vietnam, I don't know how many times people ask me this question.
मान्छेहरूले सोध्नुहुन्थ्यो भियतनाममा पनि धेरै मान्छेहरूले मलाई
Where
सोधेको
can I
थियो
find 42 body parts?
42 बडी
And
पार्ट
some of the yogis, they openly talk to me.
कहाँनिर
This is
भेट-
invented by
भेटाइन्छ
Paulo
भनेर
Coelho, not from the text.
सोध्नुहुन्थ्यो यो
We
चाहिँ
have
फाउ
this kind of
फाउको
understanding.
स्याडीजीले बनाउनु भयो भनेर कोही कोही दादाले
So when they have this
भन्थ्यो
kind of question, we can say this is not from commentary. This is from Pali Canon.
यो चाहिँ खास कमेन्ट्रीबाट
Majjhima
होइन
Nikaya.
अटकटा होइन
The
यो
name
चाहिँ
how Rahula Varasura can be found
पाली
in
पाली
Majjhima Nikaya.
पालीमै आएको हो यो 42 बडी पार्ट है राम
The Buddha
मध्यम
delivered 42
निकायको
body parts there.
राहुलवाद सूत्रमा आएको छ
So that means this is foundations of Vipassana.
यो चाहिँ विपसनाको जग हो
It doesn't mean Venerable Rahula had never practiced Vipassana before.
यसको अर्थ
He may have to practice Vipassana many times.
राहुलले कहिले पनि विपसना
different
नगरेको
methods
होइन
before.
होइन पहिला
But
पहिला
this
पनि
time,
राहुलले
Buddha
चाहिँ
gave him
विपसना
special
चाहिँ गरि नै
instructions.
राख्नु भएको थियो विभिन्न विधिबाट अब यहाँ चाहिँ विशेष प्रकारको निर्देशन चाहिँ भगवानले
So here we should say
दिनुहुन्छ
earth
राहुल
elements.
अब यहाँ पठवी धातु
So not only earth elements, the Buddha also mentioned you must practice like a planet Earth, like
त्यतिमा
earth
त
elements.
होइन तिमीले चाहिँ
Then our mind should be like an earth element
पृथ्वी
or
जस्तै
planet Earth.
अभ्यास गर्नुपर्छ है पृथ्वी धातु जस्तै अभ्यास गर्नुपर्छ पृथ्वी जस्तै अभ्यास गर्नुपर्छ भनेर भन्नुहुन्छ
So you can also imagine people throw many good things and bad things into the ground.
मान्छेले धेरै कुराहरू जमिनमा
Some of
फाल्छन्
them are clean, some of them are
कुनै चाहिँ
dirty,
सफा हुन्छ
some of
कुनै
them
चाहिँ
are
फोहोर हुन्छ
desirable,
कुनै
some of
चाहिँ
them
मन
are
पर्ने हुन्छ
undesirable,
कुनै चाहिँ
disgusting
मन
thing,
नपर्ने हुन्छ एकदम
disgusting thing.
घिनलाग्दो
People
कुराहरू
throw
हुन्छ
it into the earth,
मान्छेहरूले चाहिँ पृथ्वीमा फाल्छन्
on the earth, right? Although they throw that kind of disgusting things on the earth,
मान्छेहरूले त्यस्तो
the
घिनलाग्दो
earth will
कुरा
never reject. Don't do it.
फाले पनि पृथ्वीले कहिले पनि
You accept whether good or bad.
घृणा गर्दैन
good smell or bad
है
smells,
मनपर्ने मन
pure or
नपर्ने
impure,
गनाउने
clean or
नगनाउने
unclean,
शुद्ध अशुद्ध है
everything the planet Earth accepts.
सबै चाहिँ पृथ्वीले स्वीकार्छ
Similarly, our mind should be the
त्यही
same.
त्यसै गरी हाम्रो मन पनि त्यस्तै
We are going to
हुनुपर्छ
develop. We must develop like other elements
जब हामीले
or planet Earth.
केही अब भावना वृद्धि गर्न गइरहेछौँ भने त्यतिखेर हाम्रो अभ्यास चाहिँ पृथ्वी जस्तै हुनुपर्छ
Similarly,
भनेर भन्नुहुन्छ
water,
त्यसै गरी
water element.
पानी
So, Brother, I have already mentioned water element is a flowing and a cohesion.
आफू
Right?
आफू
This is
धातु
for
भनेको है
meditation practice.
बग्ने र अड्डिने
Our mindset should be like a water.
हाम्रो मन पनि पानी
We
जस्तै
use
हुनुपर्छ
water every day.
हामी पानी दिनहुँ
When we
प्रयोग
wash
गर्छौँ
something,
केही
that means our body is something dirty, right?
केही कुरा सफा गर्छौँ
By using water, we can
हाम्रो
suck away
शरीरमा
all
भएको
the
फोहोर
impurity in
कुराहरू
our
पनि
body.
शरीरमा हामी पानीद्वारा सफा
Sometimes we
गर्छौँ
also pour water to the flower.
त्यो पानी हामीले
to fresh,
कहिलेकाहीँ
right?
फुलहरूमा
The
पनि
water will
हाल्छौँ
touch
है त्यो
like
पानीले
a good smell, like
फुललाई
a
पनि
flower.
छुन्छ है अब
The water
पानीले
also touch the smell.
गनाउने कुरा बास्ना आउने कुरा सबैलाई पानीले छुन्छ है
So this
मलमूत्रहरू
is
सबैलाई
the
छुन्छ
water.
पानीले यो चाहिँ
So the water will
पानीको
wash
स्वभाव है पानीले
clean or unclean, pure or impure.
राम्रो नराम्रो घिनलाग्दो घिन
It
लाग्दो
also can
सफा
be desirable, it also can be
सफा
undesirable.
भएको
The
नसफा
water will wash
भएको
away everything.
जे जस्तो सुकैलाई पनि पानीले
Similarly, we must purify
सफा
everything.
गरिदिन्छ त्यसै गरी
Good and bad.
हामीले पनि राम्रो नराम्रो
Our
सबैलाई
mind
नै
must be ready
सफा
to accept
गर्नुपर्छ
everything, right?
है सबै सफा गर्नलाई मन चाहिँ तयार भएर बस्नुपर्छ भनेर भन्नुहुन्छ
So similarly, we have 5 elements. So we
त्यसै
set
गरी
fire, right? We set fire.
आगो
Okay, practically, you can also see many houses burning. Desirable, right? House. As a car also burning. We have seen that kind of thing, right?
अब घर पनि जल्छ गाडी
Some of
पनि
them are very
जल्छ
desirable.
कुनै बेला चाहिँ अब राम्रो
Fire will never
कुराहरू
reject,
पनि
it will
जल्छ
burn.
आगोले कहिले पनि
Some of them are undesirable, rubbish.
बहिष्कार
Fire will burn.
जलाइदिन्छ कहिले फोहोरहरू पनि आगोमा फाल्छ
Even though
आगोले
reject any good or bad,
जलाइदिन्छ
desirable or undesirable,
मन
pure or
पर्ने
impure,
मन नपर्ने
fire will burn. It will
सबै
never change its
आगोले
nature.
जलाइदिन्छ अरे
Okay, now next one. One element.
अर्को चाहिँ वायु
So one element also the same. It will blow everywhere, right? Sometimes one element will bring good smell.
अब कहिलेकाहीँ वायुले
One
राम्रो
element also can bring
राम्रो
bad
स्मेल
smell.
पनि लिएर आउँछ नराम्रो स्मेल पनि लिएर
Oh, this
आउँछ
is very bad. I don't wish to carry.
अब
Even
विन्डले
though reject.
हावाले कहिले यो चाहिँ घिनलाग्दो छ
And this is a good
म
thing.
चाहिँ
I should carry
बोक्दिनँ
more.
यो चाहिँ
Not like
राम्रो
that.
छ म चाहिँ धेरै
Good or bad,
बोक्छु
it will never change
भनेर
the habit.
आगो
It's
त्यो
nature.
वायुले भन्दैन राम्रो
Bringing good
नराम्रो
or bad smell
जस्तो सुकैलाई
everywhere.
पनि अब वायुले चाहिँ बोकेर लैजान्छ
So similarly, when we are
ल्याइदिन्छ
practicing,
वायुको स्वभाव हो
we must have the same mind. Whether people praise or
ध्यान बस्दाखेरि
humiliate
हाम्रो
or
त्यस्तै बानी हुनुपर्छ
criticize or
मान्छेले प्रशंसा
everything,
गरे पनि निन्दा गरे पनि
we must have
त्यस्तै
this
नै
kind of mind.
वायु जस्तै नै
So these are 4
मानसिकता
elements.
हुनुपर्छ है
Okay, one more thing here. You may have known many things about elements.
धातुहरूको
Sometimes the Buddha
बारे
also
धेरै कुरा
say
थाहा छ
5
होला
elements.
हजुरहरूलाई कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ अब
Sometimes the Buddha also say 6
एलिमेन्ट
elements.
भन्नुहुन्छ कहिलेकाहीँ 6 धातु भन्नुहुन्छ है
Sometimes the Buddha just say only 4 elements.
कहिलेकाहीँ 4 धातु भन्नुहुन्छ
In Rahulavada Sutta,
राहुलवादा
in Maharahulavada Sutta,
महाराहुलवादा
the
सुत्तामा
Buddha mentioned
भगवान्
5
बुद्धले
elements.
5 धातुको बारे भन्नुभएको छ
So Buddha said for discernment practice,
अब अगाडिको चाहिँ
Rupa, materiality in detail.
अब
This is about
रूपलाई
mindset.
हेर्नुपर्ने
The last one,
कुरा हो
space
अगाडिको
elements,
देशमा चाहिँ
Akasa Dhatu.
अब अर्को अन्तिम चाहिँ आकाश धातु
So also the same, Akasa
त्यस्तै
Dhatu.
गरी आकाश धातु
It also can be there is space, right? There can be space for good
आकाश
person,
चाहिँ अब
good thing,
विशाल
bad thing,
छ
everything. There is space.
खाली हुन्छ राम्रो नराम्रो जे
It will never reject. It will never
खाली
change. It's
खाली
nature.
हुन्छ
This is the nature of space element.
राम्रो नराम्रो नहोस्
Then
हरेक
sometimes
ठाउँ
people also
हरेक
ask
वस्तुको बिचमा चाहिँ त्यहाँ खालीपन
some
हुन्छ
strange
स्पेस पनि
question.
हुन्छ
We
कुनै पनि
cannot say strange also
बहिष्कार
because
पनि
from their
गर्दैन
point of view, this
असन्तुष्ट
also
गर्दैन
sound right. The Buddha didn't say anything about Rupa Kalapas. Fine, how do I teach Rupa Kalapas?
भगवान् बुद्धले कहिले पनि कलापहरू बारे भन्नु भएन किन यहाँ चाहिँ भावमा कलाप सिकाउँछ
That
भनेर
means
कोही कोही
when we go
दाताहरूले
and
भन्छन्
read original Pali canon, it doesn't mention Rupa Kalapas. They want to say that one.
सिधै पाली पढ्दाखेरि मान्छेहरूले रूपकलाप भनेको छैन भनेर भन्नुहुन्छ भगवान्
Okay, here we should say space elements.
अब यहाँ चाहिँ आकाश
When we
धातु
say space elements,
जब हामी आकाश
there
धातु
must
भन्छौँ
be particles. For
त्यहाँ
example,
चाहिँ
here we have 5 fingers, no space.
सानो
Solid one. We're
पार्टिकलहरू
gonna say
हुन्छ
5. If there's a space,
अब यहाँ
we
हातहरू
can say there's a 5.
हातमा चाहिँ खाली ठाउँ
So that
देखिँदैन
means
तर
when we can
त्यहाँ सानो
discern
खाली ठाउँहरू
space in the
हुन्छ
body, we can also see the kalapas.
यो शरीरमा जब हामी आकाश धातुलाई देख्छौँ त्यो बेला हामी कलापलाई पनि
So we can
देख्छौँ
also say parichanna kasa.
परिच्छन्न कासा भनेर हुन्छ
Because the parichera kasa, how do we say that? Parichera kasa.
परिच्छेद कासा पनि भनिन्छ
Telemetry or boundary. Boundary between the kalapas.
है कलाप
The space will
कलापहरूको
make the boundary.
दुईटा कलाप बिचको
The space will make all the
ग्याप
boundary clearer.
दुईटा कलाप बिचको अब
That's why when
जुन
we say space
सीमा हुन्छ
elements, it's
ग्याप
also
हुन्छ त्यसलाई
indirectly
आकाश
talking
भनिन्छ
about Rupa
है
kalapas.
आकाश धातु भनिन्छ
So yesterday I also had already mentioned, right? Water.
अब हिजो पनि
Bring me
भनेको
water
पानी
without cup.
है अब
You're gonna bring
हिजोको
water.
उपमा दिन दिएको थिएँ है
Similarly now, without space,
पानी
you're
लिएर आऊ
gonna see Rupa
भन्दाखेरि
kalapas.
कप बिना पानी लिएर आउन
Without Rupa kalapas also, there's no
सक्दैन
space.
है त्यही कारण
They are
रूपकलाप
interdependent.
नबुझिकन आकाश बुझ्न सकिँदैन है आकाश धातु बुझ्नको लागि रूपकला बुझ्नुपर्ने हुन्छ
So that means whatever context
त्यसको अर्थ
rising in our body or mind or anywhere,
जुनसुकै फस्छ
it can
हाम्रो
be
शरीरमा
pleasant or
मनमा
unpleasant.
उत्पन्न हुन्छ मन पर्ने मन
I mean,
नपर्ने
don't take it seriously in your mind.
त्यसलाई चाहिँ साँच्चै
Like the mind must remain
सिरियसली
calm
चाहिँ
and peaceful.
समात्नु हुँदैन म मेरो इत्यादि भनेर
That's
मन
the
चाहिँ
nature of
तटस्थ
element.
रूपमा हेर्नुपर्छ है जस्तै यो
Buddha give this kind of instruction
पञ्चधातुको
to
स्वभाव हो
Venerable
है
Rahula.
भगवान् बुद्धले यसरी राहुललाई
It will be
निर्देशन दिनुहुन्छ
few more steps here. So not only that,
यति मात्र होइन
you have already mentioned, but Samaya Rahula has attachment to household life, right?
राहुललाई चाहिँ अब गृहस्थी जीवनप्रति आसक्त थियो
So the
राहुल
Buddha
समेत
also
बन्धुले
give another instruction
त्यसपछि भगवान्ले अर्को निर्देशन पनि
to
दिनुहुन्छ
subside defilements.
त्यो आसक्ति गराउनको लागि
The first one, 4 Brahma Viharas.
अर्को
So here
चतु
we just
ब्रह्म
say 4
विहार
Brahma Viharas. Actually, we can divide into 4, right? Metta,
चतु ब्रह्म
loving
विहारलाई
kindness.
4 भागमा विभाजन गर्न सकिन्छ
So when
है
we can
मेत्ता भनौँ एउटा
practice loving kindness, we can be free from anger.
जब हामी
Or we
मेत्ताको
can
अभ्यास
abandon
गर्छौँ
ill will.
तब हामीले चाहिँ द्वेषलाई हटाउन सक्छौँ है घृणालाई हटाउन सक्छौँ
When we practice karuna,
जब हामी
compassion,
करुणा अभ्यास गर्छौँ
then our mind will be free from cruelty.
त्यतिखेर हाम्रो मन चाहिँ क्रूरता हिंसाबाट हट्छ
Right? Vihisa. When we practice
जब हामी
mudita,
मुदिता
sympathetic joy,
अभ्यास गर्छौँ
our mind will be free from discontent.
हाम्रो मन चाहिँ असन्तोष स्वभावबाट
That means no more not that much distress.
परिवर्तन हुन्छ असन्तोष स्वभाव चाहिँ हट्छ
Then when we practice equanimity,
जब
upekha,
हामी उपेक्षाको अभ्यास गर्छौँ
now our mind can be free from
हाम्रो मन
patika,
चाहिँ
aversion,
विकर्षण
or
र
grudge.
चिडबाट टाढिन्छ है आशकै कुरा समात्ने स्वभावबाट
So
टाढिन्छ
these are 4 sublime abiding.
यो चाहिँ
We also understand
चतु ब्रह्म विहार हो
metta as a protective meditation.
हामीले चाहिँ आरक्ष
That means when we have
आरक्ष
a
भावना पनि
very
भनिन्छ
strong
है मेत्तालाई
anger or hatred or
जब
grudge or
हामीमा
anything,
एकदमै
we
बलियो
also do metta.
घृणा द्वेष स्वभाव
To
हुन्छ
subside
हामीले मेत्ता अभ्यास
unpleasant
गर्नुपर्ने
mind.
हुन्छ है त्यो रिस घटाउनको लागि
This is actually formal teaching of the Buddha. When we go and read in the original text, it will be very much in detail. For example, in the case of
अब
metta,
ग्रन्थमा सिधै पढ्न गयो भने चाहिँ
Buddha
एकदम
will
गम्भीर
mention
छ है लामो छ
all the directions.
अब मेटाको कुरा गर्दाखेरि
For example, to the
भगवानले
east,
सम्पूर्ण दिशामा मेटा
west,
गर्नुपर्छ भनेर भन्नुभएको
north,
चाहिँ
south,
पूर्व पश्चिम उत्तर दक्षिण
every direction, every corners, all the
अब
living beings, one by one,
तलमाथि
very metta
होइन
to
अनि
Adam.
हरेक कुना कुनामा अनि सम्पूर्ण सत्व प्राणीहरू है सबैलाई
Similarly, karuna,
मेटा
mudita,
गर्नुपर्छ
ubekha,
भन्नु त्यसै गरी करुणा
as we have
मुदिता उपेक्षा
learned,
पनि त्यसै दसैँ दिशामा
right? Pratimaya,
फैलाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ
Disaya,
सबै सत्ता सबै
right?
पानाहरू सबैलाई
Pratimaya, Disaya, we have
है
10 directions.
दसैँ दिशामा
So this is also called apamanya. Apamanya means
अपमान्य पनि
indefinite.
भनिन्छ है अपमान्य
Or
भनेको चाहिँ
you can also say infinite.
प्रमाण नभएको प्रमाण
We can also say like boundless
नराखिकन
or immeasurable.
नराखिकन चाहिँ मेटा
What does it mean immeasurable?
अब
We have to pay attention to immeasurable living beings. We have to radiate metta toward them. That's why we are called apamanya, immeasurable.
गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ है अब नाप्नै
So
नसकिने
karuna, mudita,
अप्रमाण
ubekha, all these four are called apamanya,
प्रमाण रूपमा चाहिँ
immeasurable.
मेटा राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ
That means we have to take all the living beings, immeasurable living beings as objects.
गणना नसकिने सम्पूर्ण सत्व प्राणीहरू सबैलाई
This is also to subside defilements. We can do it.
त्यसले चाहिँ क्लेशहरू
Then the Buddha also recommend another one, Asubha meditation.
अब अर्को चाहिँ अशुभ भावना
Why the Buddha recommended Asubha meditation?
जब
Actually, when we can practice Asubha,
सिकाउनु भएको
we
थियो
can also abandon attachment to sensual pleasures.
अशुभ भावनाले काम राग र इन्द्रिय सुखहरूको लोभ हटाउँछ
So under the name of Asubha, we can also understand a few more steps.
अब अशुभलाई थाहा पाउनको लागि
It can be living Asubhas, it also can be death Asubha.
अशुभ चाहिँ अब मरेको लास पनि हुन सक्छ
So under the name of living Asubha,
अब
we also understand 32 body
जिउँदो
parts.
अशुभको रूपमा चाहिँ
We must
32
see the
बडी पार्ट है
color, the
32 कोठास
shape, the smell,
है
the
हामीले
location,
त्यहाँ
and so on.
तिनीहरू
We must also
रङहरू
feel repulsive when see it.
स्थानहरू सबै हेर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ 32 कोठाको
When we have this kind of repulsive feeling,
जब यस्तो घिनलाग्दो अब अनुभव
when we feel
हामीलाई हुन्छ
repulsive,
यो शरीरप्रति
then we
32
will not have
कोठासप्रति
attachment to the body.
त्यतिखेर हामीमा चाहिँ शरीरप्रति आसक्त हुँदैन
So this one is very useful
यो चाहिँ एकदमै
to remove
काम
or
लाग्दछ
to subside attachment to living beings or living things.
काम रागहरू
So we also have a dead
आसक्त
Asubha.
हटाउनको लागि
We
चाहिँ
don't need to talk about
एकदमै
that one. You know, already know, right? Dead body.
अब मरेको अशुभको बारे चाहिँ लासहरू
When you study
विभिन्न
Mahasatipatthana
प्रकारको
Sutta,
लासहरू अब
the Buddha
हजुरले
mentioned
महासतिपठान
9
सुत्ता
types of corpse.
पढ्नुहुन्छ भने त्यहाँ 9 प्रकारको लासको बारे व्याख्या गरिएको छ
So you can also follow them,
त्यो पनि हजुरले गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ
seeing one by one as a
हेरेर
repulsive.
एउटा एउटा लासलाई हेरेर
Since it's a dead body, we can feel repulsive easily.
अब मरेको लास भएको कारणले चाहिँ हामीलाई सजिलै घिनलाग्दो अशुभ अनुभव हुन्छ
So there are many ways to develop Asubha meditation. It will be too wide.
विभिन्न प्रकारले अशुभ भावना
The
हामीले
purpose of
अभ्यास गर्न
practicing
सक्छौँ जुन चाहिँ एकदम
Asubha
विस्तृत छ
is to abandon lust for
अब
sensual
मेन अशुभ
pleasures.
भावना गर्नुको मेन काम चाहिँ आफ्नो मनबाट चाहिँ काम राग हटाउन इन्द्रिय सुखप्रतिको लोभ आसक्ति हटाउन हो
The perceptions are
अनि
impermanent.
अन्तमा भगवानले अनित्य संज्ञा विकास गर्नुपर्छ भनेर भन्नुहुन्छ
We can develop the perceptions are impermanent.
अब अनित्य
To
संज्ञा
abandon
विकास
the
चाहिँ
conceits,
किन
the
गर्नुपर्छ त
mana.
भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ म भन्ने जुन मान छ अहङ्कार
I already mentioned that
हटाउनको
one
लागि यो
before,
अभ्यास गर्नुपर्छ
right?
जुन मैले पहिला पनि भनिसकेँ
Neso
है
hamasmi
नेसो हमस्मी
in that topic.
उम्,
So when we have
यो
the
मेरो
perceptions
होइन
of anicca, impermanent, we can subside
यो
mana,
यो म होइन
conceit,
यो म होइन
or
निस्व यो
pride.
म होइन भन्ने जुन हामीले अनित्य संज्ञाको अभ्यास गर्यो भने यो
So
अभिमान
this
चाहिँ घट्छ
is the first part of, the next part of teaching.
यो चाहिँ दोस्रो भाग हो है यो सुत्तको
As Venerable Sariputta guided him, Buddha also recommended to
अब
develop
जुन
mindfulness of
सारिपुत्र
breathing in
बान्तेले
detail.
पनि अब निर्देशन दिइसकेको थियो है त्यो कारणले
So
भगवान्ले
you have
पनि
already known
आनापानसति अभ्यास गर्नु
mindfulness of
भनेर
breathing,
त्यसपछि फेरि भगवान्ले आनापानसति पनि निर्देशन दिनुहुन्छ अब हजुर
So we
सबैलाई
may
थाहा
have
नै छ
4 different sets. So most
चार
we can talk about the
तहहरू
first
छ
4, right?
है
This for samatha practitioners.
चार चार गरेर चार समूहहरू छ
Like
चार समूह छ
long
आनापान
breath,
निर्देशन
short
सुरुको
breath,
चार समूहको पहिलो
center
चार समूहको
breath, whole
चारवटा
breath
तहहरू
body. We
है
just take these 4
लामो
as the
लामो श्वास
foundations.
छोटो श्वास सम्पूर्ण
Especially the
रूपमा
last
पूर्ण
one,
श्वास अनि शान्त भएको
Satya
श्वास
breath.
यसलाई अन्तमको जुन सूक्ष्म श्वास छ
In Bali, we call Pasambayanga Sankaram, right?
असमभयङ्काय
Tranquilizing the
सङ्कारम
breath body.
है अ,
So this one
सूक्ष्म श्वास
can
शान्त
be
श्वास
for Vipassana
भित्र
practitioner
छिरेको
also.
भित्र बाहिर निस्केको यो चाहिँ अब विपස්සना साधकहरूको लागि पनि हुन्छ यो चौथौँ
Then
तह
Buddha also give many other steps.
अरू
For
अरू तहहरू
example,
पनि छ
there will be like a piti,
पिति
Samvedi,
पितिपति
experiencing
संवेदी
piti, right? Sukha
पितिलाई
Samvedi,
अनुभव
experience Sukha
गर्दै
and so forth.
सुख समय
There
दिँदै
are many other
सुखलाई
steps.
अनुभव गर्दै
That means
सास बिताएको बाहिर
3
गएको
more sets or
अर्को
4.
अर्को तिनवटा समूह छ चार चार चार
Buddha give
है
all
सबै
instructions as
गरेर
we can learn in
चारवटा समूह
Anapanasati
चार
Sutta.
चार चारको है यो चाहिँ आनापानासति सुत्तामा आएको छ
So this is instruction to Venerable Rahula.
यो निर्देशन चाहिँ राहुल बान्तीको लागि थियो
So if we can practice like this,
हामीले यसरी
even the
अभ्यास
final
गर्यो
in and
भने
out breath, sees with knowledge or not without knowledge. That means we can also know, right? Every single breathing and the last breath.
हरेक आनापाना चाहिँ हामीले बुझ्नु
When the Buddha delivered
होसपूर्वक
this discourse
फेर्नुपर्ने
to
हुन्छ
Venerable
है भित्र गएको
Rahula,
अन्तिम साससम्म
he was
चाहिँ हामीले
recited
भित्र गएको बाहिर
of
गएको
the
चाहिँ
Buddha.
नोट गरिरहनु पर्ने हुन्छ अन्तिम साससम्म
Here in this
यो सुनिसकेपछि
Sutta, it doesn't
एकदमै
mention Venerable Sariputta, sorry, Venerable Rahula attained
राहुल चाहिँ एकदमै
Sotapanna
प्रसन्न
Sakarami
हुन्छ
Anagami, because this is a Samanera. He is still practicing.
अब यो सुत्त सुनिसकेपछि
So you may remember 4 types of lotus. We have already mentioned.
बेलामा चाहिँ अब कुन ज्ञान प्राप्त गर्यो भनेर चाहिँ आएको छैन दिइरहेको
What is a
बेलामा है
lotus?
सकेको चाहिँ छैन सुत्त
Now he has to listen very long discourses from the Buddha.
लामो सूत्रहरू सुन्नु परेको थियो है अब ज्ञान
Then
प्राप्त
he
गर्नको
cannot
लागि
attain any path and fruition knowledge. It will be the third type of lotus, right?
सारीभित्र भन्ने हाम्रो
The
राहुल
first
पाण्डे
lotus,
यत्रो
short
लामो उपदेश
discourse.
सुनेर पनि
Second lotus, long discourse.
लामो
The third lotus,
सुनेर पनि ज्ञान प्राप्त
after
गरेको
listening,
कारणले है अब
getting
तीन
instruction
प्रकारको फुलहरू
from a
याद छ है
competent
तीन
teacher,
प्रकार कमलको फुल
so practicing diligently,
अब उहाँ चाहिँ
he will attain
तेस्रोमा
path and fruition knowledge.
पढ्नुभयो है छोटो उपदेश सुनेर पनि ज्ञान
At the
लाभ गर्नुभयो
time,
लामो उपदेश
he was Samanera,
लामो उपदेश सुनेर पनि ज्ञान लाभ गर्नु भएन अभ्यास
also 18 years old.
सुने अनुसार भावना गरिसकेपछि मात्र
But
ज्ञान लाभ
anyway,
गर्नुभएको
he was
थियो
very
है
sharp and very strong.
अनि त्यसैले उहाँ तेस्रोमा
He
पढ्नु
could practice well.
तर जेसुकै
Although he
भए
could
पनि
practice well, he
उहाँ
cannot attain
उहाँले
path and
चाहिँ
fruition knowledge yet.
अब
Maybe his
उहाँ चाहिँ
knowledge is
एकदम
not mature
तिखो
yet
भयो
at that
भने
time.
प्रज्ञा एकदम तिखो भयो भने अब पारमी अझै पाक्नुको
So this
लागि
is
चाहिँ ध्यानै गर्नु पर्थ्यो उहाँको है
Rahula's
त्यसैले उपदेश सुनेर पनि
18 years
अभ्यास
old.
गरेर अभ्यास
So with maybe 2 years, he will be 20, right?
है अब 18
Okay,
वर्ष
this is
भइसक्नु भएको थियो अहिलेसम्म ज्ञान लाभ गर्नु पाएको छैन
about Venerable Rahula. We have already mentioned when the Buddha spending Vasa in Vairanja at the time. Buddha was a 12 Vasa, right?
भगवान बुद्ध वीरेन्जमा हुनुहुन्थ्यो भगवान बुद्ध 12 वर्ष 12 वर्ष हुनुहुन्थ्यो
So at the time, Venerable Rahula will be 18 years old.
त्यो बेला भन्थे राहुल
Because when the Buddha was 1 Vasa, he was 7 years old, right?
हुनुहुन्थ्यो है
So when Buddha was 12 Vasa, he will be 18 years old.
भगवान बुद्ध 1 वर्ष
After Vairanja, I already mentioned Buddha spent sometimes in
18 वर्ष हुनुभयो
his native town, Kapilavatthu.
कहिलेकाहीँ भगवान बुद्ध
After Buddha traveled,
कपिल वस्तुमा
this happened in Savatthi.
यो चाहिँ अब श्रावस्तीमा भएको घटना
So we have to move to the next Vasa. Right? Today it will be very heavy job for you. If I can finish 9 o'clock, you are lucky enough. Okay, now we have to move the next Vasa. The next Vasa was in Chalika Hill, 13 Vasa. So in reality, the Buddha spent 3 times in Chalika Hill. So 13 is also the first time he spent Vasa in Chalika Hill. Also 18 Vasa. Also 19 Vasa.
अनि त्यसपछि भगवान बुद्ध
Buddha spent in Chalika Hill.
है चालिका भाषामा चाहिँ उहाँ
Although the
3
Buddha
वर्ष
spent 3 times in
बिताउनुहुन्छ
Chalika Hill, We cannot find many discourses delivered in Chalika Hill.
अब चालिका पर्वतमा 3 वर्ष बिताउनु
So we
भएको
can
भनेर
understand
उल्लेख
most of the time
भए
when the Buddha
पनि
just
त्यहाँ
deliver only
चालिका
Upikatha, Samukansika Desana,
धेरै सूत्र देशना गरेको
about Full
पाइँदैन
Noble
है
Truth.
अब सायद देशना गर्नुभयो होला अब अनुपविका देशनाहरू गर्नुभयो होला त्यो कारणले
So when the
अनुपविका
Buddha
देशना
was
चाहिँ
standing was in
उल्लेख गरेको
Chalika
छैन
Hill,
तर जब
at
भगवान्
that
बुद्ध अब
time
चालिका
not many
पर्वतमा
bhikkhus,
वर्षवास बसिरहनु भएको थियो
only one bhikkhu
त्यतिखेर
accompanied him,
धेरै भिक्षु
was
थिएन
serving him.
एकजना भिक्षु मात्रै थियो
He
है
was Venerable Meghiya.
उहाँलाई सेवा गर्ने उहाँ चाहिँ भेनेरेबल मेगिया हुनुहुन्थ्यो पन्ते मेगिया
So that means there are only two, Venerable Meghiya and the Buddha.
है
On the way
यहाँ
back to
चाहिँ
Chalika Hill,
पन्ते
Venerable Meghiya saw
पन्ते मेगिया
a
र
quiet mango
अब भगवान्
grove
बुद्ध मात्र हुनुहुन्थ्यो
after
अनि
Pindapada.
भिक्षाटन गइरहेको बेलामा है चालिका
So
भिक्षाटनबाट
there's also
गएर
one river
फर्किने
called
क्रममा चाहिँ
Kimikala
उहाँलाई यहाँमा एउटा
River.
ठुलो आँपको
In the
वन
evening,
देख्नुहुन्छ अनि त्यहाँ एउटा
Buddha
किमिकाला
was
भन्ने नदी पनि थियो
walking
अनि
around
साँझ
Kimikala River.
भगवान् बुद्ध अब
Venerable
किमिकाला
Meghiya also
वरिपरि
follow him.
हिँडिराख्नु भएको थियो है अनि भन्थे मेगिया पनि पछि
So when
पछि
seeing the
जानुभएको
mango
थियो
grove,
है अनि
he thought
नदी
if he could
नदी
practice
नजिकको
in
अब
the mango grove, he
आँपको
would attain
जङ्गल
higher attainment easily.
देख्नुभयो
But
त
he was just Putujana.
मनमा आयो कि ओहो यो जङ्गलमा ध्यान बस्न गयो भने चाहिँ चाँडै नै
His mind
मार्गफल
inclined
लाभ
to
गर्छ होला अनि विचार आउँछ
that mango
अनि
grove
अनि उहाँ
all the
मेगिया
time.
भन्डेको मन चाहिँ हरेक दिन चाहिँ अब हरेक समय त्यही आँपको जङ्गलमा मात्र मन
But he
गइरहेको थियो
didn't know why his mind inclined to that mango grove too much.
अब
But the
उहाँलाई
Buddha
चाहिँ
knew.
थाहा छैन किन चाहिँ उहाँको मन अब त्यो
But he
आँपको
cannot stop
जङ्गलमा
thinking about
तानिरहेछ
his
भनेर
plan to
उनी
meditate in
थाहा
that mango
छैन
grove.
तर भगवान् बुद्धलाई थाहा छ
So
कारण
he approached
है
the Buddha and requested.
अनि अति भएर अब एकदमै ध्यान बस्न मन लाएर चाहिँ
I've
अनि
already mentioned there
भगवान्लाई
are only
गएर
two, the Buddha and
प्रार्थना
Venerable
गर्नुहुन्छ
Meghiya.
है।
So Venerable
अब
Meghiya
म
requested
अघि नै
Buddha
भनेको थिएँ त्यतिखेर मेगिया
to
भनेको
allow him
भगवान्
to
शास्त्र
meditate
मात्र
in the
हुनुहुन्थ्यो
mango grove.
अनि भगवान्ले प्रार्थना गर्नुहुन्छ म चाहिँ अब
The
त्यो
Buddha said,
आँपको
please
जङ्गलमा
wait
गएर ध्यान बस्न जान्छु नि भन्नुहुन्छ
until another bhikkhu come.
भगवान्ले भन्नुहुन्छ एकछिन कुरा जबसम्म
If
अर्को
he left, Buddha will be alone.
भन्दै आउँदैन
Nobody will serve the
अर्को
Buddha.
भन्दै आएपछि तिमी जान सक्नुहुन्छ अहिले चाहिँ कुरा भनेर भन्नुहुन्छ तिमी गयो
So
भने
after
अब अरू
lunch,
कोही पनि हुँदैन म एक्लै हुन्छ
he
भन्नुहुन्छ
keep
भगवान्
requesting
शास्त्रले अनि
second times,
खाना खाइसकेपछि फेरि सोध्नुहुन्छ
third times.
म त्यहाँ गएर ध्यान बस्छु
The Buddha said the same.
पहिलोचोटि
He could not
तेस्रोचोटि
satisfy.
र तेस्रोचोटि पनि भगवान्ले त्यही नै भन्नुहुन्छ
So
अर्को
he
एकजना
said,
पिच्छु
this one.
आउनुहुन्छ अर्को पिच्छुलाई कुरा अर्को
The Buddha
पिच्छुलाई
had
जान
already
सक्छु
completed
भन्नुहुन्छ
all his spiritual duties and had nothing
अनि
left to
फेरि
achieve.
मेगिया भन्नेले
Whereas
भन्नुहुन्छ
he still
बुद्धले
had
आफ्ना
much work to
सम्पूर्ण
do to
आध्यात्मिक
reach that
कर्महरू पुरा
enlightenment.
गरिसक्नु भएको छ र प्राप्त गर्न बाँकी केही पनि
Okay,
छैन
then
तर
he say
मलाई अझै
openly to the
पनि
Buddha,
बोधि प्राप्त गर्न धेरै
the Buddha,
साधना
you have
गर्न बाँकी
attained
छ भनेर चाहिँ
hardship.
मेगिया
You have nothing
भन्नेले
to do.
भगवान्
I'm a
शास्त्रीलाई
Bhutujana. I have to
भन्नुहुन्छ
practice.
है
That's why
हजुरले
I'm asking for permission
केही
to go and
पनि
meditate there.
गर्नु पर्दैन म त पुटुजनै छु त्यो
He didn't
कारणले
know why the Buddha said rejecting,
गरेर चाहिँ
refusing
म
to
त
allow him.
पृथ्वीजनै छु त्यो कारण ध्यान गरेर अरन्त हुनुपर्छ म चाहिँ हजुरले त सबै गरिसक्नुभयो त्यो कारणले अनुमति
When
दिनुहोस्
he said like that,
भगवान्ले
of
किन
course the Buddha
रोक्नु
cannot
भएको
say,
चाहिँ थाहा छैन उहाँलाई
I don't go. Okay, when you say like that,
भगवान् बुद्धले चाहिँ
how can I
नजाऊ
say
भन्नु हुँदैन
to stop?
अब तिमीले
You know the time to go.
त्यस्तै भन्छौ भने अब म कसरी रोक्न सक्छु
Then
तिमीलाई
Venerable
अब
Meghiya
तिमीलाई नै थाहा होला उपयुक्त
went alone,
समय कुन
meditate,
खेर जाने भनेर भन्नुहुन्छ
and in the mango grove in the afternoon.
अनि अपराह्न समयमा चाहिँ
Okay, here in the picture,
ध्यान
I
बस्न
also
जानु
draw fruit,
जानुहुन्छ
right? If you don't see the fruit, you may not know this is a mango tree.
अब आँपको
Right? That's why
रुखको मुनि
there must be fruit on the tree, right? Okay,
त्यहाँ
according to
फोटोमा देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ
the practical practitioners, if there's a fruit shade tree, we must not meditate under that tree.
अब नियम अनुसार चाहिँ अब
If we meditate under the tree, if tree fall down, the fruit fall down,
अब साधना
it will hit
गर्नको
your head, right?
लागि चाहिँ रुखमुनि ध्यान बस्न फल फल्ने
If
रुखमुनि
there's
ध्यान
a
बस्न उपयुक्त
fruit
छैन
on the tree, don't
किनकि
meditate there.
अब त्यो फलहरू खस्यो भने टाउकोमा लाग्न सक्छ है अब त्यो फल फल्ने रुख छ
Actually, there
भने
are 7 types
ध्यान
of tree we
नबसेको
are not
ठाउँमा
allowed to
त
meditate
त्यस्तो रुखमुनि
under it.
7 प्रकारको
One
रुख
of them is
त्यस
the fruit shade tree, right?
त्यसको मुनि ध्यान
But
बस्न
that
चाहिँ
if there's a very big,
अनुमति छैन
if there's a hole in the tree,
हैन
Mostly,
त्यो
you may have
रुखमा
seen if
जब
there's a hole in the tree,
फल
snake or
भएको
some
पनि
parts will live there.
फल फल फल्ने रुख पनि हो अर्को चाहिँ अब फल
Right?
भएको रुख एकदम ठुलो फल भएको रुख किनकि ठुलो फल
So it will
भएको
be
रुखमा
noisy.
चाहिँ
If snake live there,
सर्प
it will be dangerous. If bats
सर्पहरू
live
बस्छ
in the hole of
है
the tree,
यदि
it will be
त्यो
noisy.
फल भएको रुखमा किनकि भन्दाखेरि त्यहाँ चराहरू पनि बस्छ
So there are
अनि
some
सर्पहरू पनि
trees,
बस्न सक्छ त्यो कारण
they
खतरा पनि हुन्छ
also
र डिस्टर्ब
like a
पनि हुन्छ
leak some fruits, fruits, right? Like a sticky glues
अनि
from the tree.
कुनै कुनै रुखहरू चाहिँ
If
एकदमै
the
गम
tree is leaking that kind
त्यो
of
चुइने हुन्छ
sticky
गमहरू
juice,
चुइने
also
खालको
we are
हुन्छ
not allowed to meditate under that kind of tree.
त्यस्तो प्रकार रुखमा पनि ध्यान बस्न अनुमति छैन है
Another thing is
गम जस्तो चुइने रुखहरूमा
we must not build a kuti, right? Making the tree in the middle.
अनि रुख मुनि
Right?
अब रुखलाई कुटी जस्तो बनाएर पनि बस्न
So this is
उचित
also
छैन
prohibited.
है बस्न मिल्दैन
Another thing like a bat. Bat also a kind of animal, right? If they live in the tree, we are not allowed to
अब
meditate under the tree.
चमेरोहरू बस्ने रुखमा पनि ध्यान बस्न अनुमति छैन
So there are many other we can also understand, right? So here he was meditating under a mango tree.
यहाँ चाहिँ
So
उहाँ चाहिँ आँपको रुख पनि
that
ध्यान बसिरहनु भएको
means
थियो
you can also imagine when we can get mango fruits. Now we can get mango fruit, right? In the summer.
हामीले कुन बेलामा अब
In the rainy season,
पाउन सक्छौँ
we're gonna get mango anymore.
वर्षायाममा
It
त
grows naturally,
पाउँदैन
right?
है
But now many people use
मौसममा चाहिँ
many
पाइन्छ
like a chemical, then they can make the tree bear mango fruit every month also,
केमिकलहरू
right?
युज गरेर
Now they change the
बाह्रै
system.
महिना
Now modern system is a little bit risky.
फल्न मिल्ने गरेर
If naturally grow mango fruits,
यदि
we can get
स्वाभाविक
fruit
रूपमा
only in the summer.
फल्छ भने चाहिँ
In the
गर्मी
rainy
मौसममा
season, no
मात्र
more. This is a Spanish West,
आँप
so
पाउन
that's why
सकिन्छ
no more mango fruit surely.
अब यहाँ वर्षावासको
So
समय
he was
थियो है
meditating under the
त्यतिखेर
mango
चाहिँ आँप
tree.
थिएन धेरै आँप फलेको छैन
When he was
आँप फलेको
meditating,
थिएन
he cannot focus on the breath.
जब उहाँ त्यो रुखमुनि ध्यान बस्न जानुभएको थियो
He became like this.
उहाँले चाहिँ आनापाना गर्न
He
चाहिँ
became
सक्नु भएन ध्यान
a
बस्न
king
सक्नु भएन गाह्रो भयो मन धेरै बाहिर
in
गयो
the very big palace.
है
That means
उहाँको
all
मनमा
the mango forest become big palace for him.
विचार आयो है मनमा कल्पना आयो ठुलो त्यो पुरै जङ्गल चाहिँ ठुलो राजमहल महल जस्तै भयो
Many dancers are dancing. In the
धेरै
animation,
डान्स
there are
गर्ने
3 dancers.
पर्वतीहरू चाहिँ
3 different group of dancers.
सुन्दरीहरू डान्स गरिरहेको जस्तो अनुभव
The first one
भयो
is
तीन
we
प्रकारको
can say very long time ago.
नाच्ने केटीहरू
We can say we can say like a long time descendant dancer.
लामो समय त्यो खानदानी नाच्ने केटी है लामो
Then more
समयसम्म
professional, right?
नाच्ने
More professional dancers.
नाचेको अभ्यास भएको त्यस्तो वंश
Then they will be a little bit mature.
वंश है त्यस्तो एकदमै प्रोफेसनल डान्सर
They will be their skill will be better than or other.
त्यस्तो प्रकारको नर्तकीहरू
The
चाहिँ
second group of dancers
नाच्नमा एकदमै पारङ्गत हुन्छ
is from previous king.
अर्को प्रकारको
So previous king passed away, so he gave the throne. Then there are so many dancers in the previous king.
अब
They are also working for him.
अर्को प्रकारको
The last one is the youngest group.
पहिलाको
When he gained
राजाको
throne,
अगाडि
then this is a new
पहिलाको राजाको अगाडि
group of
नाचेको
dancers.
अनुभव भइसकेको नर्तकीहरू
So now modern
अर्को
society
चाहिँ
we get like a band, right?
नयाँ नर्तकीहरू है नाच्ने गाउने भर्खर नयाँ जेनेरेसन भर्खर
So they are performing
पारङ्गत
for him.
भएका नाच्नेहरू यसरी तीन प्रकारको
This is very beginning.
नाच्ने
Kamavidaka.
केटीहरू चाहिँ उहाँको अगाडि नाचिरहेको जस्तो उहाँलाई अनुभव हुन्छ यो चाहिँ कामवितक काम भोग र इन्द्रिय सम्बन्धीको विचारहरू
So instead of developing meditation, his mind is going here and there. It's too much attachment to unwholesome thoughts.
ध्यानमा अभ्यास गर्नुको सट्टा मन चाहिँ धेरै बाहिर
Okay, here 3 unwholesome thoughts.
काम गुणको
This is the first unwholesome thought, right?
यो चाहिँ पहिलो कामवितक
Kamavidaka. those are sensual pleasures.
कामवितको विचार आउन थाल्यो।
Then we have second one.
अर्को दोस्रो
Vyapada Vidaka.
व्यापाद वितक्क
Thoughts of ill will.
द्वेष भाव, वैर भाव र अहित चाहने विचार।
So his mind, his thinking, his daydreaming.
अब
He was aching.
ध्यान बसिरहेको बेलामा अब विचार
Okay, one
आइरहेको
more thing
थियो है।
here.
अब
Actually,
सपनामा
Mikia
चाहिँ
was also second prince. One more thing, be careful, right?
कल्पनामा
This
चाहिँ
is the one
उहाँ
of the
चाहिँ
thing.
राजा
So he's
भएको
also,
थियो।
he was born in a royal family. This is also one of the problem.
अब मेकियर चाहिँ गृहस्थी जीवनमा एउटा राजकुमार हुनुहुन्थ्यो है।
So
राज परिवारको राजकुमार
since he
हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
is his thinking, his like a wandering thoughts, he was a king.
अब कल्पनामा
Then
पनि
two thieves
एउटा उहाँ
were
राजा
brought to him.
भएको कल्पना गरिरहेको थियो। अनि त्यही
Those who
कल्पनामा
are
चाहिँ
like arrested and brought to him.
चोरलाई समातेर लिएर आएको थियो उहाँको कल्पनामा है।
So then he bring them to the royal court.
दुईजना चोरलाई
Then he
समातेर
also
चाहिँ
order.
अदालतमा
Okay, this one is a very serious, made very
लिएर
serious
थियो।
mistakes.
अनि दुईजना मध्ये एकजना चोर चाहिँ
Execute him.
एकजना गम्भीर गल्ती
So he
ठुलो
order
सामान
one of
चोरेको
them
थियो
to
भनेर
be executed.
अनि भनेर त्यसरी रिपोर्ट गर्छ। अनि त्यही कल्पनामै त्यसैलाई मार्दे भनेर राजाले भन्छ कल्पनामा है आफूले।
Then another one is Vihinsa Vitaka. Thoughts of
अर्को चाहिँ
cruelty.
विहिंसा वितर्क है। विहिंसा भनेको क्रूरता पीडा दिने विचार।
Also another one, right? Another thief.
अर्को एउटा चोर चाहिँ
Is imagine.
उहाँको
Okay, he should
कल्पनामा चाहिँ
be in the prison. The torture.
अर्को एकजना चोर चाहिँ जेलमा राखेर त्यसलाई चाहिँ
He's
शास्ति दे,
ordering.
पीडा दे,
Right?
कुटपिट भनेर चाहिँ त्यसरी
So here we just say very
विचार
short,
गर्छ।
right? But you can also imagine arrested. He may have a lot of talk about how they arrested the thief, how they bring to him, how he investigate all their offense or crimes. Then they may reflect many laws, right? According to this law, he must be executed, he must be imprisoned. That means whole afternoon he had these unwholesome thoughts.
यस्तो प्रकारको विचारहरू गरिराखेको थियो।
So 3 unwholesome thoughts whole afternoon.
है 3 प्रकारको विचारहरू पुरै दिनभरि।
This is a very big problem, right? Very big, very serious. But he also thought this is something strange to him.
त्यसपछि विचार आउँछ कि मनमा एकदमै अनौठो भइरहेछ मलाई।
So he also say, I renounce the words out of faith.
म यो प्रवचित जीवन लिएको श्रद्धाले प्रवचित भएको हो। किन ममा यस्तो गलत विचारहरू आइरहेछ भनेर मनमा आउँछ। किन मलाई यस्तो भइरहेछ भनेर बुझ्नै सकेन उसले। अनि ध्यानै बस्न सकेन।
He just returned to the Buddha.
त्यसपछि उहाँ भगवान बुद्धकोमै फर्केर जानुहुन्छ।
Buddha had foreseen he was coming back.
अनि उहाँ फर्केर आएको भगवानले देख्नुहुन्छ।
It will happen to him.
भगवानलाई थाहा थियो कि यस्तो हुन्छ भनेर। अनि त्यो आँपको जङ्गल चाहिँ पहिला जन्ममा उहाँको राज्य थियो। त्यही ठाउँमा उहाँले धेरै जन्ममा चाहिँ राज्य सञ्चालन गर्नुभएको थियो।
His mind inclined to
जब त्यो आँपको बगैँचा देख्थ्यो तब उसलाई चाहिँ ध्यान बस्ने विचार ध्यान बस्न जाँदाखेरि यस्तो काम वितर्क 3 प्रकारको वितर्कहरू आउँथ्यो है। पहिला जन्म धेरै त्यहाँ कामचोक भएको कारणले राजा भएर। अनि भगवान बुद्धले उहाँलाई उपदेश गर्नुहुन्छ उहाँको मनलाई चाहिँ अब पारङ्गत बनाउन है परिपक्व बनाउन चाहिँ वादा दिनुहुन्छ। पालीमा चाहिँ चेतो विमुक्ति भन्छ है। चित्तलाई मुक्तितर्फ परिपक्व बनाउने 5 तत्त्व। मुक्त हुनको लागि मद्दत
The
गर्छ
first one,
पहिलो
associating with good friends.
कल्याण मित्रसँग संगत
Kalyana
गर्नु
Mitra.
है सत्पुरुष ज्ञानीहरूको
So
निकट
why
रहनु
do we need good associates?
किन हामीलाई चाहिँ राम्रो मित्रको सङ्गत
When
चाहिन्छ
we have
त
good associates,
जब
we
हामीमा
can
राम्रो
emulate the way
सङ्गत
they
हुन्छ
practice.
हामीले चाहिँ
We can also follow
सही अभ्यासको बारे थाहा पाउन
the way they
सक्छौँ
practice.
उहाँहरूले गरिरहेको
We can also
अभ्यास
get
अनुसार हामीले पनि अभ्यास गर्न सक्छौँ
suggestions,
साथसाथै
recommendations,
राम्रो
motivation from that kind of Dhamma friends.
राम्रो सल्लाह है राम्रो प्रोत्साहन हामीले
Actually, there
यस्तो
are
कल्याण
many
मित्रबाट
qualities of
पाउँछौँ
good friends or good associates. Okay, here I should say a few of them
धेरै
because it will be too
फाइदाहरू छ
wide, right?
राम्रो कल्याण मित्रको
According to
सङ्गत
Anguttara
गरेको
Nikaya,
है त्यो एकदमै विस्तृत छ
it mentions only 4 qualities.
अब अङ्गुत्तर निकायमा चाहिँ
The first one,
कल्याण
Sata.
मित्रमा हुनुपर्ने 4वटा गुणहरू है
The one who has very
श्रद्धा
strong confidence, very strong faith, is really called Kalyana Mitra.
अब जो व्यक्तिसँग एकदम बलियो
When we
श्रद्धा
have
छ ऊ
very
चाहिँ
strong
साँच्चैकै
confidence,
कल्याण
very
मित्र
strong
हो
faith, then we have very sharp determination. They can decide everything easily.
अब श्रद्धा बलियो भएको कारणले उसले राम्ररी नै
Not only that, their minds are
राम्रो
clear.
छुट्याएर चाहिँ राम्रो डिसिजन दिन सक्छ अनि स्पष्ट हुन्छ उहाँहरूको
Then
दिमाग श्रद्धा बलियो भएको कारणले
their behavior will be good.
उहाँहरूको बिहेभियर नि
Then
राम्रो
we can
हुन्छ
emulate them.
अनि
The second
त्यसरी
quality is
उहाँहरूको
morality.
व्यवहार राम्रो भएको कारणले हामीलाई राम्रो असर पार्छ अनि अर्को चाहिँ शील
Of course, when somebody has morality, we can also understand their behavior will be very good.
जसको शील राम्रो हुन्छ उनीहरूको बानी व्यवहार पनि
Their speaking
राम्रो
will be very
हुन्छ
polite.
उनीहरूको बोली एकदमै राम्रो हुन्छ
So when seeing him, we can get motivation.
उसलाई उसको
When
शील
hearing his
देखेर
word, also we can get
है
मोटिभेसन
हामीलाई चाहिँ प्रोत्साहन मिल्छ उसको शब्द सुनेर
That
हामीलाई
means
प्रोत्साहन
verbally
मिल्छ
or bodily,
है
he may not disturb anybody.
उसको शारीरिक र वाचिकबाट
This is called
केही पनि हामीलाई
sila,
हानि हुँदैन
morality.
यो पनि शील हो
The next quality is Jaga.
अर्को चाहिँ त्याग है
Jaga means generosity.
त्याग
Okay,
भनेको
here in
चाहिँ
the
अब
case of Jaga, that
दान
means
गर्ने
no
स्वभाव
stingy.
हुनुपर्छ लोभी हुनु हुँदैन
Easy to share his knowledge
है सजिलै
and
उसको
properties.
प्रज्ञा र
This is
उसको
called
सम्पत्ति
good
चाहिँ
Dhamma friends.
बाँड्ने हुने स्वभावको
But
हुनुपर्छ
sometimes we may have experience, good knowledge. If we don't share our knowledge with our Dhamma friends, we cannot be good friends anymore.
हामी धेरै ज्ञान
We may
प्रज्ञान
share
छ
our
तर
experiences,
आफ्नो ज्ञान
knowledges
अनुभव चाहिँ अरूलाई
with our
बाँडेनलाई
Dhamma
भने
friends.
चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ साँच्चै कल्याण मित्र हुन सक्दैनौँ है
So this is called good friends.
यो
The
चाहिँ
last quality is
राम्रो
Panya, wisdom.
गुण है साथीमा हुनुपर्ने
In
अर्को
the
चाहिँ
case of Panya for
प्रज्ञा
meditator or good friends, that means he must have practice up to the knowledge of right and impartition.
अब प्रज्ञा
ए,
भएको
उपासना।
कल्याण मित्र कस्तो हुनुपर्छ भन्दाखेरि
This is called
विपसनाको उदय ज्ञानसम्म अभ्यास गरिसकेको व्यक्ति
So when
हुनुपर्छ
someone has this kind of quality, this is called good friends.
जब
If we have this
कसैमा
kind of
यस्तो
good friend, good
गुण
association,
गुण
we can
हुन्छ
make our mind mature for liberation.
है अनि त्यस्तो व्यक्तिको सङ्गत पायो भने चाहिँ हामी पनि
The next one,
बिस्तारै
being endowed
राम्रो
with
हुँदै हाम्रो माइन्ड
pure
चाहिँ परिपक्व
morality.
भएर आउँछ र ज्ञान लाभ गर्न सक्छौँ अर्को
We have a talk
सम्पन्न
about morality many times,
राख्नु
right? So I don't need to repeat that one.
दोस्रो है
So if we are immoral, we're gonna make our mind mature. This is also one of the things.
यदि हाम्रो शील राम्रो छैन भने
Okay,
चाहिँ
now
हाम्रो
the
मन
third
पनि
one
परिपक्व हुँदैन मनलाई परिशुद्ध
is
बनाउन
about
सक्दैन है
engaging
मुक्तिको
in
तेस्रो
thoughts that is conducive to
मुक्त बनाउने तेस्रो गुण।
detachment.
अब
Although
विरागतर्फ लैजाने
we
कुरा
say
गर्नु
very simply
त्याग
like that,
वैराग्य र आसक्ति क्षयतर्फ उन्मुख संवाद गर्न कुराकानी गर्न
then we should understand we must have proper conversation
हामीमा
with
चाहिँ
Dhamma friends.
राम्रो प्रकारको कुराकानी हुनुपर्छ
Okay,
है
what is the mean proper conversation?
अब कस्तो कुराकानी त कस्तो राम्रो
Okay, here we
कुराकानी त
say
भन्दाखेरि
the first one, apicca,
पहिलो चाहिँ अपेक्षा
few desire,
है
fewer desire.
एकदमै
We should talk about
थोरै
apicca,
थोरै इच्छा
fewer desire. Then we should not talk about greed too much. Right? I like this, I like that.
मलाई यो
Right?
मनपर्छ
I
त्यो
dislike this,
मनपर्छ
I dislike that.
मलाई यस्तो मनपर्छ त्यस्तो
If we
कुरा
talk about like and dislike too
गर्नु
much,
हुँदैन मनपर्ने
it's
नपर्ने
not
कुराहरू
talking about pure desire.
धेरै कुरा गरिन्छ भने यो चाहिँ अल्पेच्छाको कुरा
So that
हुँदैन
means we have to discuss something about having pure desires. This is also called good topic, good conversation.
राम्रो
Now the
राम्रो
contentment,
कुरा हुन्छ है अब
sanctity embodied.
वैराग्यको मुक्तिको कुरा चाहिँ राम्रो सन्तुष्टिको कुरा
When we talk about sanctity,
गर्नुपर्छ
of course, this also
अब सन्तुष्टिको
already
कुरा
mentioned many times about sanctity, right?
गर्दाखेरि है
Contentment with whatever thing we have a
जे
cause
छ
now,
त्यसमा सन्तुष्ट हुने कुराहरू
or contentment with what we can use now,
गर्नुपर्छ
contentment with suitable for us, whatever suitable for us,
आफूलाई
these are called contentment.
उचित हुने कुरा जे छ त्यसमै सन्तोष हुने कुराहरू गर्नुपर्छ
Now this is viveka, seclusion. We should talk about seclusion.
अर्को चाहिँ
That means
विवेक
bodily seclusion,
है
like living alone,
है एकान्त
mental seclusion,
एकान्तको
like
कुरा गर्ने
meditation.
शारीरिक सन्तुष्ट एकान्त मानसिक एकान्त
Now this is no
त्यस्तो कुरा
entanglement.
गर्नुपर्छ
Embodied with also asansaka.
अर्को चाहिँ असंसक
Asansaka means we are messy with many things. We have a lot of friends,
धेरै साथीहरू हुन्छ
right? This and that.
यताउता साथीहरूको बारे कुरा गर्ने है
Embodied asansaka.
गर्नु हुँदैन असंसक चाहिँ
Actually, there are many sansaka. For example,
यताउताको कुरा
seeing also sansaka. I want to see him, I want to see her like that, right?
यो
See him
उसलाई हेर्न
frequently.
मन लाग्ने उसलाई हेर्न मन लाग्ने
That's not sansaka.
त्यस्तो त्यस्तो कुराहरू गर्ने
Not quite good also, right? Similarly,
राम्रो हैन
Samandapana sansaka. Talking.
सम्बन्धको
I want to talk with him. I want to talk with her.
उसँग कुरा गर्न मन लाग्ने उसँग कुरा गर्न मन लाग्ने
So if we just find many topics to talk to somebody, to talk with somebody, this is also not quite good things. Because sansaka, no entanglement.
यो पनि राम्रो कुरा हैन
Now this is effort. Arata Vidya. That means this is energetic efforts. Right? So that means we must be energetic efforts. When we talk about this kind of efforts, this is also proper conversation. So similarly, we can also understand concentration, wisdom, and liberation. When we talk about this kind of topic also,
शिला समाधि प्रज्ञा
this is a proper conversation.
यस्तो बारे कुरा गर्नु चाहिँ राम्रो कुराकानी हो
So that means, as soon as we say conversation, there must be listening. If we have opportunity to listen to some discourse about having fewer desires, contentment, seclusion, no entanglement, or energetic efforts, morality, concentration, wisdom. We can get motivation.
विमुक्ति यस्तो कुराहरूको बारे सुन्दाखेरि
Our
के
mind will
हुन्छ
become
त
mature.
हामीलाई चाहिँ प्रोत्साहन मिल्छ मन चाहिँ
So this means
पाको भएर आउँछ
when we have good friends, we can also hear this kind of
जब
topic.
हामी राम्रो साथी हुन्छ हामी
Another one,
कल्याण मित्र छ भने हामी यस्तो कुराहरू
exerting
सुन्न
unwavering
पाउँछौँ
efforts.
है
That
अटुट
means
वीर्य
unshakable efforts.
एकदमै अब बलियो वीर्य निरन्तर नथाक्ने प्रयास
This is also really very important. So we have already talked about Viriya many times, right? So previously when we talk about Hari Raja Kumara, they also among the five fetters, we have already talked about Viriya.
अब पहिला हामीले बुद्धि राजकुमारको बारे चर्चा गरिसकेका
So when we talk
छौँ
about
त्यसमा पनि
efforts,
वीर्यको
we have to
बारे
know
चर्चा
two
गरेका
different
थियौँ
things: bodily
निरन्तर
efforts,
नथाक्ने प्रयास
mental efforts.
अब वीर्यमा शारीरिक
We
वीर्य
can also
र मानसिक
understand bodily
वीर्य
energy and mental
है
energy.
अब शारीरिक बल र
If we
मानसिक बल
properly
दुवै
use our body energy and mental energy,
यदि हामीले राम्ररी शारीरिक शक्ति र
This
मानसिक
called
शक्तिको प्रयोग गरिन्छ भने
Samavayama.
यो चाहिँ समावायाम हो
This is also called Arara Viriya.
यसलाई आराध वीर्य पनि भनिन्छ
Our effort must be strong enough to
हाम्रो
subside defilements.
हाम्रो वीर्य चाहिँ क्लेशहरू हटाउनको लागि पर्याप्त खालको हुनुपर्छ
Then we have this kind of power.
जब
When
हामीमा
our
यस्तो
effort is that much
प्रकारको
powerful,
बल हुन्छ यस्तो बलियो
then we can make our
हामीले
mind
वीर्यलाई
mature
लगाउन सक्छौँ
for
भने
liberation.
बल्ल हामीले आफ्नो मनलाई चाहिँ मुक्तिको
And
लागि
the
चाहिँ
last one, among
आफ्नो
the
मनलाई
five,
पाको बनाउन सक्छौँ
possessing
अर्को
deep
अन्तिम
wisdom.
5 है गहिरो प्रज्ञा
So we have already mentioned deep wisdom many times, right?
गहिरो प्रज्ञा
So that means inside knowledge. We must have
गहिरो
a strong
प्रज्ञा
insight
चाहिँ
knowledge. It will make
गहिरो
mind mature.
विपස්සना ज्ञान भएको हुनुपर्छ जसले आफ्नो मनलाई चाहिँ
So in the case
परिपक्व
of
पाको
Venerable
बनाउँछ
Meghiya, he may have been practicing vipassana very long times, but
अब
his
मेघिया
knowledge
चाहिँ
was not so strong yet.
लामो समयसम्म विपස්සना अभ्यास गरिरहेको थियो तर
That's why
विपස්සना
his
ज्ञान
mind was
भित्री ज्ञान चाहिँ बलियो भएको थियो
wavering.
त्यो कारणले उहाँको मन चाहिँ एकदम विचलित थियो
So related to the events, the Buddha also delivered 2 stanzas in
अनि उहाँको मनलाई लिएर भगवान बुद्धले दुईटा गाथा भन्नुहुन्छ धम्मपदमा.
But later we have to talk about this, right? Now we should say a few more things about other explanation. To make mind mature, what should we do? Now we already mentioned all the requirements, right?
आफ्नो मनलाई परिपक्व पाको बनाउन के
when our mind become mature, what should we do?
पाँचवटा कुराहरू
And the Buddha also mentioned here again.
पाँचवटा कुराहरू
Asubha,
अभिवृद्धि गर्नुपर्छ
reversible meditation.
है
Similar to Venerable Rahula, right?
अब अर्को फेरि मिचर
So here the Buddha also said the same. To abandon lust
अशुभ
or sensual thoughts. We must develop the perceptions of repulsive,
आफ्नो
asubha sanya.
आसक्तहरू घटाउनको लागि अशुभ संज्ञा अभिवृद्धि गर्नुपर्छ भनेर भन्नुहुन्छ.
Then 2, metta, loving kindness. So we should develop
त्यसपछि मेत्ता
loving kindness to abandon ill will.
अनि मेत्ता
So
भावना
it has
गर्नुपर्छ
3 thoughts,
रिस वैराग रिस हटाउनको लागि.
Wrong thoughts. So to abandon that kind of thoughts, we also can practice metta meditation. Then the next one, anapanasati, mindfulness of breathing. To subside the thoughts, to cut out distracting thoughts,
मनलाई स्थिर
we
पार्न
must practice
शान्त
anapanasati.
पार्न है मनलाई एकाग्र बनाउन चाहिँ
So the
आनापानसति
Buddha recommended
आनापानसति
to practice anapanasati
भावना गर्नुपर्छ है चञ्चल
to
मनलाई
distract,
शान्त
I mean,
पार्नको
to cut
लागि
off distracted
है
thoughts.
आनापानसति अभ्यास
distracting
गर्नुपर्छ
thoughts.
भनेर भन्नुहुन्छ.
So then by practicing anapanasati, we can cut the thoughts,
जस
right?
आनापानसति
So
गरेर
now when you
विचारहरू काट्न
experience
सकिन्छ.
many thoughts when you are practicing anapanasati, what should we do?
अब धेरै विचारहरू आइरहेको छ आनापानसति गर्दाखेरि भने
This is suitable for Venerable Meghiya.
के गर्ने?
It will be right for Venerable Meghiya, right?
यो चाहिँ
Actually, for other meditator, for beginners, not that easy.
मेघियाको लागि चाहिँ सुइटेबल हो तर भर्खरको नयाँ साधकहरूलाई चाहिँ
Okay,
त्यति
now
सजिलो
the Buddha
नहो.
also talk about the next one.
अब अर्को
Anicca
कुरा
sanya.
गर्नुहुन्छ भगवानले
The
अनित्य
perceptions of
संज्ञा
impermanence.
है अनित्य संज्ञा अनित्यको संज्ञा.
So issue also same to Venerable Rahula.
यो चाहिँ राहुलाई भनेको जस्तै नै उस्तै
So one should develop to uproot the mana conceits.
म हुँ भन्ने अहङ्कार उखेलेर फ्याल्न.
The moment we can practice these 4, there will be higher attainment.
अनित्य हो परिवर्तनशील छ क्षणभङ्गुर
When
छ
our mind
भन्ने
become very mature, although we can also practice these 4,
गर्नुपर्छ.
we can also develop these 4, now we will be able to
हाम्रो मन चाहिँ
attain path and future knowledge in this very
परिपक्व
life.
हुन्छ.
There will be
परिपक्व
liberation.
भएको बेलामा यो चारवटा हामीले
This is
चाहिँ अभ्यास गर्नुपर्ने
The
हुन्छ.
first part.
यो चाहिँ पहिलो भाग.
Then
त्यसपछि
we also talk about the events. Venerable Meghiya mind as a wavering, thinking a lot, right?
भन्दै
Related to this event, Buddha also delivered 2 stanzas in Dhammavada.
भइरहेको थियो.
Okay, this will be the last topic today.
यो वा त्यो चञ्चल चञ्चल
I think 9 o'clock will be enough maybe.
लिएर चाहिँ एउटा गाथा भन्नुभएको छ भगवान शास्त्रले.
Can we should start? Pandanang chapalang citta,
Pandanang chapalang
Durakang duniwaraya,
Durakang duniwaraya,
Ujung karoti medavi,
Ujung karoti
Usukarawa
medavi,
tejanang.
Usukaro tejanang.
This is the stanza. Pandanang chapalang citta,
Pandanang chapalang cittam,
trembling, shaking,
एकदमै हल्लिरहेको,
chapalang, unsteady,
नभएको,
Durakang, difficult to guard or
नभएको,
control. Duniwaraya, difficult to project.
है अच्छा गर्न गाह्रो.
This is the nature of the mind. Ujung karoti
यो
medavi.
चाहिँ मनको स्वभाव हो. उजुङ
Wise
करोति
men
मेधावी.
straighten it. Usukarawa tejanam. just a fracture, straighten,
आफ्नो ज्ञानी
an
व्यक्तिले
arrow.
आफ्नो मनलाई चाहिँ सिधा र अनुशासित बनाउँछ
So fracture well, that means arrow, right? Arrow make our way. Make arrow
बाणकारकले
straight.
बाणलाई सिधा पारे जस्तै आफ्नो
Fracture,
मनलाई
right?
चाहिँ सिधा बनाउँछ
Okay, now
अनि भन्नुहुन्छ
here we should say pandanam.
फन्दनम
Pandanam also that means shaking, right?
अब
Jumping one to
कम्पायमान
another.
चञ्चल हुने स्वभाव
Chapalam,
है चप्पलाम
unsteady,
रक्षा गर्न एकदम
Now
नियन्त्रण
this,
गर्न
now
एकदमै
that.
गाह्रो है
right?
एकैछिन
Mine also
एकैछिन
change a lot, right?
मन
Now I like it.
धेरै नै चञ्चल चेन्ज हुन्छ
Then
परिवर्तन
I like
हुन्छ।
that. Changing a lot.
अहिले यो मनपर्छ फेरि एकछिन अर्कै मनपर्छ चेन्ज
Today you may like chicken.
आज हामीलाई
Tomorrow you may like
अब चिकन
pork.
मनपर्छ भने फेरि पछि
The next day you may like another meat.
फेरि अर्को मासु फेरि
Always changing.
अर्को खाना मन पर्ने जान्छ
Chapala.
चेन्ज हुन्छ
To the count, difficult to guard.
दुरखाङ
Difficult to
एकदम
protect.
यसलाई नियन्त्रण गर्न एकदमै
Although
कठिन
we know this is
छ
wrong, this is bad.
हामीलाई
Very
थाहा
difficult
हुँदा
to protect.
हुँदै यो गलत हो
Oh,
थाहा
I cannot
हुँदा
think like that. Right?
हामीले चाहिँ रक्षा
When people say,
गाह्रो हुन्छ
don't think,
जब
we're going to think more, right?
नसोच भने भन्छ तब
This is the
झन्
nature
हामी
of
धेरै
people.
सोच्छौँ यो चाहिँ
If we say
मान्छेको स्वभाव
don't do,
डन्ट डु भने
they will
नगर
do more.
भनेर भन्यो भने चाहिँ झन् मान्छेहरूले त्यही नै
If we
गर्छ
say don't think,
ए,
we
न-
think about it more.
नसोच भन्यो भने
is
झन्
the
धेरै
nature of
सोच्छ
mind.
है, मान्छेको स्वभाव
So don't need what I am.
दुनियाँ
Difficult to
आएर
control. That means,
I-
that means we cannot breathe in or protect.
एकदमै
There's
गाह्रो
also
छ
some explanation about Ujjangrodi Medavi,
मनलाई
straighten the mind.
अनि उसुङको रोटी मेधावी बुद्धिमान
Okay, you may have already
व्यक्तिले
know
यसलाई चाहिँ सिधा
archer.
बनाउँछ जसरी बाण बनाउनेले बाणलाई
They
सिधा
can show
बनाउँछ
their skill
अब
in the battlefield.
बाणकारकहरूले युद्ध कलामा चाहिँ आफ्नो कौशलता देखाउँछ
If they win in the battlefield,
यदि
the king will reward them.
बाणकारक चाहिँ धनुष बाणकारक जित्यो
They may have
भने
special rewards.
राजाले चाहिँ उपहार दिन्छ जित्यो भने
This is it, like a worldly example, right?
यो चाहिँ सांसारिक उपमा
Okay, now here for practitioners,
अब यहाँ सादा
we to make our mind straight. So that means, okay, like a fracture, we to make arrow, he may go to the forest.
अब बाणकारक चाहिँ
He may
अब
find
बाण
the woods.
बनाउनको लागि
He may find
जङ्गलमा
the tree,
जान्छ एउटा
cut down.
रुख भेटाउँछ रुखलाई काट्छ
After that, he may remove the bark of the tree.
अनि त्यसपछि त्यो
He may remove some
काठको
woods.
केही भागहरू
He will get only
काट्छ
half woods.
निकाल्छ अनि त्यसमा त्यसमा कडा खालको
Right?
काठ चाहिँ
Similarly,
उसले लिन्छ
when we can subside defilements,
जब हामी क्लेशहरूलाई हटाउँछौँ
sensual pleasure, or any other defilements,
है सम्पूर्ण काम गुण आदि
that we are removing bark and some woods.
हटाउँछौँ त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले
We are going to get
काठको अब रुखको बोक्राहरू
hardwoods, right?
बाहिरको बोक्राहरू निकालेको जस्तै
So here in this case, like a practicing Dudanga,
अब
practicing
को लागि
Sila,
अब दुताङ्ग अभ्यास
or
गर्नु
many
Sila
other
अभ्यास
way we
गर्नु
can subside defilements. All these are called removing bark and some woods.
यिनीहरू सबै चाहिँ हामीले के को लागि त
After getting hardwoods,
त्यो रुखको
may
बोक्रा
make arrow.
निकाले जस्तै हो है आफ्नो क्लेशहरू
if arrows are not quite
हटाउनको लागि
straight,
अनि त्यसपछि
Now
त्यो
we must
राम्रो काठ पाइसकेपछि
put
हामीले
on
के
the
गर्छौँ
smooth or even
राम्रो
ground.
काठ पाइसकेपछि अब बाण बनाउनको लागि त्यसलाई चाहिँ
Now we may have to
राम्रो ठाउँमा
press
लगेर सिधा बनाउनु
until it becomes very
कोसिस
stable.
गर्छौँ है बाण
After
बनाउन
pressing
सक्छौँ
with
अनि
something
त्यसलाई
like a
राम्रोसँग
stone or stick or wood or anything, make it
थिचिसकेपछि
stable.
बलियो काठले
When to make
ढुङ्गाहरूले
heat,
त्यसलाई थिचिसकेपछि
after that we can make it straight.
अनि अलिक तातो
We can make it straighten.
बनायो भने चाहिँ अनि बल्ल सिधा हुन्छ त्यो
This is
काठको
it.
बाण
The way people make arrow, right?
है अनि त्यसपछि बल्ल अनि बाण
Okay,
भन्छ
here we should also say
अरिहन्तमा।
the same.
यहाँ
Present
पनि त्यस्तै
to make it stable.
है
Two things. Samatha and Vipassana.
अब समता र विपसना है स्टेबल मनलाई
It
शान्त
can
राख्नुको
press
लागि
mind
समता र विपसनाले चाहिँ मनलाई चाहिँ
to stable.
है शान्त राख्न चाहिँ
If
मद्दत
we say
गर्छ
another way, samadhi and panya.
समाधि र पन्या कुरा गरौँ
Right? When we have samadhi and panya, we can stabilize mind.
समाधि र पन्या हुन्छ हामीले चाहिँ मनलाई तटस्थ
Then,
राख्न सक्छौँ
when it becomes stable, we have to heat. Right? We have to make heat. So what does it mean heat?
जब अब मन
Okay, one more thing.
अब स्टेबल
Before
हुन्छ
heat and also we have to apply
सिधा बनाउन
ointment, right?
सिधा बनाउन अब
So we have to set fire. If we don't
तटस्थ
make something,
राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ त्यो
if we don't
काठलाई
make
त्यो
like
बानलाई
some
त्यो कारणले त्यो
water or some
अब
other
सिधा
ointment,
बनाउनको लागि हामीले जब
it cannot
आगो
be flexible. To make it
आगोको
flexible, we
ताप
have to apply wine or
प्रयोग
water.
गर्छौँ है
We must make heat
त्यसपछि
and
अब
stretch.
तेलहरू पनि प्रयोग
one
गर्छौँ
more
है
thing.
त्यो सिधा
What does it
बनाउनको लागि
mean? Ointment
अब
or
के त यहाँ
what? This one should be
ओइलमेन्ट
fast,
अब
right?
तेल
After that, we have to make heat.
तेल अब तातो बनाउनु भनेर तेल
Ointment
चाहिन्छ
or water, that means
बान बनाउने
satta,
काठमा
confidence.
अब तेल चाहिँ यहाँ श्रद्धा हो
When we have satta,
जब
our mind is
हाम्रो
active.
श्रद्धा छ हाम्रो मन चाहिँ
If we don't have
एकदमै
satta, our mind is not very active.
एक्टिभ भइरहेको हुन्छ है चालु भइरहेको हुन्छ
Though it will be a little bit dry to meditate, right?
सजिलो
That means you don't have
बिहान
satta.
मन लगाइरहेको हुन्छ श्रद्धा भयो भने
So to make the mind flexible, we must apply ointment, satta.
मनलाई कमलो बनाउनको लागि श्रद्धा रूपी तेल
We have to make efforts.
अब ताप दिने त्यो बान सिधा बनाउन आगो राप दिन्छ त्यो चाहिँ बिरिय
Right
हो
efforts.
है बिरिय लगाउनुपर्छ
It's like a
सम्म
heating
सम्म भयो
the arrow.
है त्यो चाहिँ त्यो
Then
बानलाई
we can
तातो
make our
बनाउनु
mind
जस्तो हो
straight.
है त्यसपछि
As we can make
त्यो
arrow straight
तापले
also, right?
हाम्रो मनलाई चाहिँ
Well,
बिरिय
other
रूपी
can
तापले मनलाई
straight
सिधा
arrow.
बनाइदिन्छ
Whatever we shoot, it will go to the target straightly.
अब सिधा बान भयो भने चाहिँ जहाँसुकै
If we don't have a straight arrow
हान्यो भने ठ्याक्क
we shoot
त्यही टार्गेटमा
to the
पर्छ
target, it's not sure it can hit or not.
अब बान
It
सिधा
depends on archery skill also.
बान सिधा
But now
भयो
here,
भने चाहिँ आफ्नो लक्ष्यमा
straight
लाग्छ कि
arrow-
लाग्दैन
An
भनेर
arrow,
भन्न सकिन्छ
then
तर
they
बान
can
सिधा
shoot the
भयो भने
target
चाहिँ आफ्नो लक्ष्यमा ठ्याक्क
effectively.
लाग्छ है तर बान बाङ्गुतिङ्गो भयो भने चाहिँ आफ्नो लक्ष्यमा
So if we
बान
can show
लाग्दैन
archery
त्यो चाहिँ
skill,
अब बान कारकमा पनि
we can also
पर्छ
get
है
rewards.
अनि त्यसरी अब
In the case
आफ्नो
of rewards,
अब आफ्नो
it can be
लक्ष्यमा पुग्ने गरी हान्न
Devacha pada
सक्यो
arahat.
भने चाहिँ अनि आफ्नो बान कारकमा
It also
पार्न
can
पायो
be
भने चाहिँ
Chalabhinya
अब
arahat.
अनि त्यो
It also can be
बान
Prisambhata pada
बान
arahat.
युज गरेर आफ्नो
These are called
जित्यो भने
rewards.
चाहिँ अब राजाले उपहार दिन्छ है
So here
त्यसै
the one
गरी
I
यो
mentioned,
ध्यानमा
Ujjayi
पनि
Karoti
हामीले
Mera
आफ्नो
we,
मनलाई सिधा पारेर
the wise
समता
man
विश्लेषण गर्यो भने चाहिँ हामीले अब
straightens the
छलभिन्या
arrow.
त्यही विद्या र
Usukarawa Dejana,
मार्गफल निर्वाण
that's
समेत
a
हामीलाई उपहारको रूपमा
fracture,
पाइन्छ
straightens an arrow.
अँ,
So now whenever
अब
maybe
चित्त कम पाइँदा
mindset
चञ्चल रक्षा गर्न
wavering here
कठिन
and
नियन्त्रण गर्न कठिन छ
So he had
र
to
बुद्धिमान
keep his
व्यक्तिले
mind
यसलाई
straight.
सिधा बनाउँछ जसरी बान
Now we
बनाउनेले
have-
बानलाई सिधा बनाउँछ है अब यस्तो चञ्चल भइरहेको
Okay,
थियो
this is the
हाम्रो
Navadvip
विज्ञापनताको
translation, right?
रुल
I already mentioned the Buddha said 2 stanza for Venerable Meghiya.
अब मैले
We
अघि
should quote
भनेको
the next
थिएँ
stanza.
दुईटा गाथा भनेको भन्नुभएको थियो भगवान् शास्त्रले मेघियालाई
Wari Jowa Tale Kito,
वारी जोवा
Moka
थले
Mogata
खितो
Mobato,
ओक मोकत
Paripandati Danchitam,
परिपन्थितम
Maradeyam Bahatawe.
मारादेयम पहातवे
These are translation.
है
Wari Jowa Tale Kito,
वारी
like a
जोवा
fish
थले खितो
that is
माछा
drawn
माछा
from
जस्तै
the
है
watery
यदि
abodes
माछालाई चाहिँ पानीबाट निकालेर
and
जमिनमा हाल्यो
throw
भने
upon dry lands.
छटपटाउँछ
Okay, you can also
है
see
अब
you
जसरी
have seen
पानीबाट
this
निकालेर
kind of
जमिनमा फ्याँकिएको माछा
thing, right?
छटपटाउँछ है यस्तो देख्नुभयो होला
If
हजुरहरूले
you
पनि
catch a fish,
माछालाई
it on the dry land,
समात्नु भयो
it will be jumping.
सुखा
Right? It cannot be
जमिनमा
stable anymore.
फाल्नुभयो भने चाहिँ माछा छटपटाउँछ यताउता हाम पाल्छ
So Oka Mokata Mobato, that means removing from the taking away from the water, then throw away into the dry lands. Paripandati Tanchitam, Maradeyam
परिपन्दितम
Bahatawe.
चित्तम मार्देयम पातवे
Even so,
त्यसै
this
गरी मार्गको क्षेत्र
also
त्याग्न खोज्दा यो चित्त
quivering,
पनि छटपटाउँछ
also trembling.
है मार्गको
Therefore,
क्षेत्र त्याग्न खोज्दा यो
Maradeyam
चित्त चाहिँ
Bahatawe
त्यसरी
means,
छटपटाउँछ
therefore, the ranks of Mara should not be, we cannot be free from Mara's kingdom. So this is also one of the stanza,
मार्गको क्षेत्र त्याग्न
the
खोज्दा चाहिँ
second
यो चित्त
stanza
त्यसरी
to
छटपटाउँछ
Venerable Meghiya.
जसरी माछा छटपटाएको थियो
That means when our mind is shaken, unstable, unsteady. We cannot be free from Mara's kingdom. Yeah, Mara kingdom means defilement.
हामी मारको राज्यबाट चाहिँ मुक्त हुन सक्छौँ। मारको राज्य भनेको चाहिँ क्लेशको है क्लेशहरू क्लेशा मारा क्लेशको राज्यबाट मुक्त हुन सक्छौँ।
So that means Venerable Megia, he cannot be free from Mara's kingdom because he had a lot of house and thoughts, right?
Venerable Megia चाहिँ धेरै क्लेशा माराबाट मुक्त हुन सकिरहेको थिएन।
So he actually more than
अनि मुक्त हुन खोज्दाखेरि चाहिँ एकदम मन छटपटाएको।
In the example he mentioned, just taken out from the water and throw into the dry land. Similarly, our mind delight in sensual pleasure.
जब यो जस्तै माछालाई चाहिँ पानीमा जमिनमा राख्दा छत पाउँछ त्यसै नै अब हाम्रो मन पनि अब काम
So he had taken away from the water.
है काम यो पानी
रूपी काम
पानी रूपी काममा रमाइरहेको हुन्छ।
Dry land means
जब हाम्रो त्यस्तो
meditation practice.
मनलाई अब कामबाट निकालेर
We have to give up sensual
सुक्खा
pleasure.
जमिन
We have
भनेको
to start
चाहिँ
practicing
ध्यान भावना गर्नु
meditation.
सुक्खा जमिन
The minds are not ready to accept that kind of new practice, new connections.
ध्यान भावना त्यसो नयाँ नयाँ
It will be unstable all the time.
नयाँ प्रकारको अब के कुरा गर्न लागो भयो।
That's why I mentioned what is our telekido or gamobata mobodo. When we have this kind of instability,
जहिले त्यो पानी
we cannot attain path of fusion knowledge.
काम गुणमा रमाइरहेको कारण
We cannot be free from
पानी रूपी
defilements.
कामबाट निकाल्छ जमिन रूपी अब
So at the end of the discourse,
ध्यान भूमिमा
Venerable Megia
खोज्दा चाहिँ मन त्यसरी नै छटपटाउँछ
Sotapana, 3 and 3.
भन्नुहुन्छ है। अनि
Okay.
यो कथा सुनिसकेपछि चाहिँ
10 minutes left.
मेघीय भन्तेले
I just
चाहिँ
stop here, right?
शताब्दी फल लाभ गर्छ।
Okay, today we should talk about Venerable Rahula and Venerable
आज हामीले चाहिँ
Megia.
भन्ते राहुलको बारे कुरा गर्यौं है।
By comparing, you can also
मेघीयको
sense
बारे कुरा गरौँ।
there are many similar instructions.
अब एउटै निर्देशनहरू थियो दुवैलाई।
Fourth line fighting in Rahula,
है
Maharaula Sutta.
महाराहुलवादा सुत्ता पनि चतुर्थ
But in the case of Venerable Megia, what I talk about metta meditation.
मेघीयको कुरा गर्दाखेरि मेत्ता
So we also talk about asva meditation for both.
दुवैलाई चाहिँ अशुभ ध्यान भावना पनि सिकाउनु भएको थियो।
Also anapanasati for both.
त्यसै आनापानसति ध्यान पनि सिकाउनु भएको थियो दुवैलाई।
The perceptions of anicca also for both.
अनिच्चा संज्ञा पनि दुवैलाई सिकाउनु भएको थियो।
Or in the case of Venerable Rahula, is more in detail about 4 element and anapanasati.
चाहिँ धनी एकदम डिटेल है डिटेलमा सिकाउनु भएको थियो चतुर्माधार।
So Venerable Rahula's sutta will be found in Majjhima Nikaya. Venerable Megia can be found in Anguttara Nikaya and Dhammavara.
मेघीय सुत्ता चाहिँ अङ्गुत्तर निकाय
So
तमोपदमा
we can also find an Udana maybe, another part. Anyway, so we have to talk about the mind. In the case of Venerable Rahula also, he has some ahosan thoughts to keep instruction. In the case of Venerable Megia also, he has ahosan thoughts to keep instruction. Whenever we have ahosan thoughts, we must remember how to overcome it. It depends on what kind of thoughts.
यदि अकुशल आयो भने हामीले कुन के धर्म अभ्यास गर्नुपर्छ भनेर हामीले विचार गर्नुपर्छ है। राम्रो कुन चाहिँ विचार गर्यो भने चाहिँ यो क्लेशहरू घटेर जान्छ भनेर हामीले चाहिँ प्रज्ञापूर्वक विचार गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ है। हजुरहरू सबैजना तीन शिक्षाको अभ्यास गरेर सबैले निर्वाण दुःखबाट मुक्त भएको निर्वाण सम्पत्ति लाभ गर्न सकोस्। साधु साधु साधु।
Okay. Now question again. No question.
There are 2 questions.
2 questions. Okay.
3 questions.
Okay.
The first question is, in other talks that are mentioned, Jambitatta, anxiety and trampling impurity. Where can we find in Pali text the elaboration about the 1,500 inner kilesa under the Buddha guna of Arahant Second definition, Arinang Hattata.
Arina Hatata. Actually, Arina Hatata can that kind of definition can be found in Visuddhimagga. Then you can read in any language now, right? There's a more possibility to find easily. Another thing is that we can also find similar thing in Samanapasadika commentary. So for like Nyamapiku, we learn from these two texts about Buddha's quality. Right? Okay, this one.
Another question is very long and complicated.
Okay, so now we can see that on the ground, right? Okay, she may ask question.
Dạ, thưa Ngài, trong cái phần hôm qua vào hạ thứ 12, Ngài Sarutta có hỏi Đức Phật về việc chế định giới tỳ khu, chế định giới. Nhưng mà Đức Phật trả lời lúc đó là hội chúng còn thanh tịnh khi nào mà hội chúng tăng trưởng về số lượng, về lợi dưỡng, có sự phát triển về và cái cuối cùng là sự học nhiều, tức là ba hú sách chá má hát tăng. Như vậy cái sự học nhiều đó là gì và phải học như thế nào thì lậu hoặc nó mới không sanh khởi ạ?
Có sự
học nhiều. Dạ, cái cuối là sự học nhiều. Ba hú sách chá má hát tăng.
So yesterday Sarah mentioned in the Trailwasa, Venerable Sariputta requested Buddha to lay down the rules. Buddha said maybe wait for the time when the Sangha grow bigger.
Bahusatya means knowledgeable, right? Knowledgeable. In the case of knowledgeable, whenever we talk about sutta or bahusutta, that means like a learning knowledge. We may learn a lot. We may have no many part of Buddha teaching. Not only learning, it also can be like a whenever we need to use, we can also use that knowledge. We must be able to apply that knowledge in our daily life. This is also called bahusutta. Another thing is that we don't forget the teaching after learning. For example, you may remember Charaka story, right? Whenever people ask, you can answer easily. The Charaka story, right? This is called bahusutta.
Dạ, nhưng mà tại sao khi học nhiều như vậy thì cái lậu hoặc nó lại sanh khởi nhiều vậy ạ?
Why Buddha wait until the condition of Sangha grow, and that is the third condition when Bahu Sutta appear, then he lay down the rule?
Actually, in this case, we cannot say Bahu Sutta, right? That means when Sangha grow, this is one thing. Another thing is Vitikama. No, not Bahu Sutta. Vitikama. Please wait until somebody make offense. What I just said, right? It doesn't mean until Bahu Sutta. Okay.
In the Thai forest tradition, the bhikkhus are very the bhikkhus are very sensitive to offerings given from a woman's or nun's hand, so they used to accept donation by cloth. If the lay cook by herself a dish for the Sangha and ask the abbot monk to offer the dish that she cooked to the Sangha by cloth to the bhikkhu who accepts the meal, and they don't allow her and tell her to leave it, and let a man who was nearby offer her dana, is it considered as bunyataraya, obstruction to marriage, wholesome this, and
थाईमा चाहिँ
they will
केटीहरूले दान
suffer for
गर्दाखेरि
their
चाहिँ
akusala
नजिकबाट
of
नलिकन कपडामा
blocking the
राखेर
salary
लिन्छ
who wish
है
to offer.
अब सयालीले आफैले गुरुमाले आफैले खाना बनाएर दान गर्न खोज्दा
Okay,
पनि
this is
केटा
tradition
मान्छेलाई
already. They
केटा
cannot change
मान्छेलाई
easily,
दान
maybe, right?
गर्न लाउनु भनेर भन्नुभएको थियो यहाँ चाहिँ सयालीले
In the
आफ्नो
case
हातले
of
दान गर्न
Bunyandaraya, that
मन
means we
थियो
have that intention.
तर अब गर्न पाउनु भएन
We cannot know
यसलाई
their
चाहिँ अब
intention also, right?
पुण्य अन्तराय भन्न मिल्छ कि मिल्दैन अब त्यो
Even the Buddha
त्यो
accept from
बिचुली
the
चाहिँ
female.
अब पुण्य अन्तराय
Okay,
भन्न
I
मिल्छ
think,
कि
okay, one more thing,
मिल्दैन
right?
यहाँ चाहिँ अब
We
कुन
should
चेतनामा
elaborate two
भर
more things
पर्छ
about
भनेर
that one.
भन्नुभयो
Why
सयालीले है
Thai tradition follow
अब
that
कस्तो
kind of
चेतना छ
rules?
त्यसमा भर हुन्छ अब यो चाहिँ थाइल्यान्डको
According to
परम्परा
Vinaya,
भइसक्यो है अब विनय अनुसार
okay, I will
भन्नुपर्दाखेरि
give one example.
उदाहरण
A woman is climbing a tree.
यदि केटी
Right?
चाहिँ
People have attachment to that woman,
रुख चढिरहेछ
so he shake the tree, for example.
अब भिक्षुमा चाहिँ
It will be
आसक्त छ
dukkata.
है अनि आसक्त भएर चाहिँ
Right?
त्यो रुखले हल्लाइदियो भने दुःखटा अपट्टि लाग्छ
Okay, I should say another way.
अर्को तरिकाबाट
In
भन्नुपर्दाखेरि
the Sanghadisesa rule number 2,
सङ्घादिशेष रु नम्बर 2 मा चाहिँ
they are mentioned about touching woman.
अब केटीलाई
Okay.
छुने बारे कुरा छ
If body to body touch,
शारीरिक
it will be Sanghadisesa. If they could touch
सङ्घादिशेष
for lustful mind, right? It will be Sanghadisesa. Also, body to clothes connection, it will be Tonajaya. If clothes to clothes
माइन्ड छैन
touching,
बडी
it will be Dukkata.
बडी र अब कपडा छोड्छ भने
And then to avoid this kind of Dukkata offense, like for example, a woman also hold
कपडा कपडा छोड्छ
a
भने
rope.
दुःखता आउँछ
People also hold a rope. And for example, women also hold a tray. People also touch the tray.
अब केटीले पनि
And there will
डोरी
be
समान्छ केटाले
the
पनि
offense. That's why they have that kind of rule and regulation.
समातिरहेछ अब केटीले
So,
पनि डोरी समान्छ
Since we don't know how long they have been practicing that one, I should not criticize their tradition.
समाता छ भने चाहिँ दुःख लाग्छ त्यो कारणले चाहिँ
So according to Vinaya
त्यस्तो
also,
परम्परा बनाएको हुन सक्छ है
they are not wrong. Right? So in this case, for Bunyantaraya, it depends on the mind. We cannot say because of behavior, right? So one more thing here. Before we go to offer the monastery, we must know the tradition of the monastery also. Otherwise, it will be the problem.
कुनै बिहारमा जानुभन्दा अगाडि त्यो बिहारको
Even if we happy,
बुझ्न
if we don't know also.
त्यो परम्परालाई चित्त बुझेन भने मन चाहिँ खुसी हुँदैन
Okay, next one. Okay. Any question?
If a Salai wish to be your chief disciple in this life, what is your standard for the Pariyati level and Patipati level of your Salai disciple?
So far, I don't have standards, really. Right? Of course, the higher she can fly, the better it will be for me, right? Right?
मुख्य गुरुमा चिफ डिसाइपल
Now, my Salai disciples are just like new learner,
क्वालिटी
especially for foreigner, right? I have a few Vietnamese Salai learning Langara examination,
हुनको लागि कस्तो गुण चाहिँ
so not so strong yet. I don't know how high they can fly in the future.
चिफ डिसाइपल जस्तो त्यस्तो
The higher they can fly,
गुरुमा डिसाइपल चाहिँ छैन
right? The better for future in Vietnam.
अब उड्न सक्ने गुरुमा भयो भने त राम्रै हो त्यस्तो उड्न सक्ने क्वालिटी भयो भने भन्नुभएको
Okay.
है तर अहिले मैले चाहिँ अब नयाँ नयाँ गुरु शिष्य गुरुमाहरूलाई चाहिँ सिकाइरहेको छु पालीहरू
Okay, now. Oh, 9 o'clock already. Dukkha. Okay. Tomorrow I should be a little bit shorter Dhamma talk, right? Okay. We share merit. Idame bunyam asavakaya vaham hodu. Idame bunyam nibbanasa bhajayo hodu. Mama bunyam bhagam sabasatanam bhajemi de sabe me sama bunya bhagam
bhavantu. Sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu.